The heat trading in the neon light. Coins vanish deep in the system's maze. Dreaming of financial freedom, it was the only way to survive. No, the crash, the dips, they burn it all away. No, 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 no. Neon streets standing here, we're block to block. Flickering screens, nowhere to hide. Robots rise, taking all our jobs. Surviving day by day. Will you ever break free from the chains that fiat made? Watch your keys tonight. Burning money, feel the burning money. Spending this lonely night, stacking more. Tonight, burning money, touch me, burning money. Show me your gains with your stash. Burning cash. I could never trust the system, buried in debt and lies. You keep saying it's all going fine. No more banks, no more chains to bind. No more keeping us enslaved. Tell me how to break free from these chains. Burn the chains. Neon streets standing here, we're block to block. Flickering screens, nowhere to hide. Robots rise, taking all our jobs. Surviving day by day. How will you ever break free from the chains that fiat made? I want your keys tonight. Burning money, feel the burning money. Spending this lonely night, stacking more. Tonight, burning money, watch me burning money. Show me your gains with your stash. Burning cash, give me sats. Burning cash.
Fly me to the moon, let me dream those charts. Let me see what freedom's like without dollars and gold bars. In other words, I'll hold my keys. In other words, let's make history. Fill my wallet with coins and let me hold out all forevermore. You're the currency I stand for, all I worship and adore. In other words, I choose you. In other words, I love you. Yes, oh Bitcoin, your love is true and unconditional. You're my knight in shining armor in this dark, cruel world. I honestly don't know what I'd do without you. You're not just any digital currency. There's only 21 million of you. And in a world we share with like 8 billion freaking people, that makes you very special to me and so many other. Because only so many people can hold you. I am so happy I found you. And now you're going to coins and let
is no second best.
Only you. Only you. Fill my wallet with coins and let me hold at the rail from or more. You're the currency I long for, all I worship and adore. In other words, I choose you. In other words, I love you.
Wires tangle round our throats, no air to breathe. Metal minds control what we believe. Crypto kings laugh from their golden thrones. We built this cage, now we're all alone. Chained to the screens they built to enslave. No escape from the power we gave. Whispers your soul ain't your own. Dancing on the ruins of a broken drone. Empty factories rust just like our dreams. Jobs deleted by mechanical machines. Inflation's a fire that eats what we hold. Digital diamonds can't buy back our souls. Chained to the screens they built to enslave. No escape from the power we gave. AI whispers your soul ain't your own. Dancing on the ruins of a broken drone. Flirt with the fire of progress we made. Bought it back at the cost of our fate. No touch feels real, no voice sounds true. The future's here, but it ain't for you. We scream for freedom, sold for a bite.
What's the second best? There is no second best. What's up, everyone? How's it going, guys? How's it going? All right. So, it's a bit of an off day today, but we survived it. We're looking at $111,000 Bitcoin. Just holding on. Getting close to that 112. Not quite there though. How's it going? Ramona's here. How's it going? $5 super chat, Ramona. Bam! Right out the gate. Right out the gate, guys. Oh my gosh. We even got Braveheart McFreedom here. Oh, I got a treat for you guys tonight. Yes, when. Yes, good evening, Crypto Chaos family. Hope everyone is doing well. Let's get this money, 100%. Gamma Goddess. We've got Cliff here, number 1. When did I lose love for Otaku? For Quint? Quint Chadamus? Chatty boy. When you, when you started grifting, my man. That's probably when. Anyway. moving on. GG, yes, how's it going? Yes, Cliff, Gamma Goddess in the house. Hey, all. How's the water doing? How's the water? It's okay. It's all right. It's just all right, right? We're waiting for basically gold and silver to calm back down. Treasuries are bouncing today. It's kind of crazy, absolutely crazy, as there's a lot of fear going on. Whether or not we're going to actually get into a recession, unlikely. We don't do recessions anymore. Or if we're going to even finish the new budget, so we're going to have a government shutdown. I mean, there's all crazy talks today. Are we going to have peace talks again with Zelensky and Trump and Putin? Oh my gosh. BRICS leaders talking to each other. Cats and dogs not living together. It's mass hysteria. Either way. Yes, dang Pog Champ music. Stop now. Just crazy guys up screen rip. I'm not sure what's going on with Scrupulous. If Nebs it was in the pool, it's a bit warmer and more yellow than it should be. 100%. Ramona, yes, telling everyone to hit the like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, guys. We're trying to get to 1,000 subs before the bull run. Guys, come on. Hit that button. It's right there. It doesn't cost you a damn thing. And, of course, to support the channel. And, yeah, we're almost there, guys. 140, away from 1,000. That hurt my soul, Otaku. It hurt mine, too. It hurt mine too, Scrupulous. Time to find a new best friend, says Scrupulous. The scrub. Otaku hates the needy. I don't hate the needy. I don't. You grifting, my man. Come on. Yes, here we go again. Here we are again. Yes, more chaos. It says Strawberry Dragons. Yes, 100%. Jesus. Jimmy, is that you? No, it's not Braveheart. It's definitely not Jimmy. All right. How's it going, guys? How you feeling after today's price action? You know what? I want to say that it didn't pump because I actually didn't have my appointment today. The guy I reached out to canceled my appointment. He was off work an additional day after the holiday. So I'm probably gonna get a do-over tomorrow. I don't know. But I know you guys say that every time I get an appointment or I'm away from the channel that it's when we pop. So it's possible that we're not going to pop tonight just because I didn't get that today. All right. Let's get back into it, guys. Full screen ahead. Get the dancing mascots out of here and get the show on the road. Today we had pretty much sideways price action. We did hit 111 and keep it from the foreign market open last night. We had a little bit of a sell-off this morning, and then of course a little bit of a rise up into where we are today. We do have Ramona's price prediction that is off the chopping block now. Sorry, Ramona, but the bullish momentum for the end of August kind of ended without our 130k level, unfortunately. So we're gonna wipe that clean for you there. If I can. Am I on the right? I'm on the right screen. It won't let me delete this. Okay. Jake the Snake's next prediction: 132,000. September 2nd. Damn, my man. Yeah, that's not gonna happen either. September 2nd. Yeah, it jumped. It definitely did jump. So we're gonna take Jake the Snake off the board as well, because that is unlikely to happen in the next 4 hours. Oh my God. All right. Target for 1,000 subs for the channel is the next one on the chopping block on the 21st of September. I'm not sure why we put that there, but we did. So that's on the goals, guys. 140 subs away till we hit that target. Jake is thinking the King of Ohio predicts that we're going to hit $150,000 Bitcoin on the end of this month, on the 30th, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong, Jake, if you were in the channel tonight. Because I believe this is a little off. I don't have the date on here. I started putting the dates because TradingView keeps jumping around all over the place. Cliff has a general rip prediction on the 3rd of October. And then we have like the crazy stuff like Nebs calling for 133K. You're probably more right than wrong compared to anyone else on the channel right now, Mebs. Right now, you're calling for 133,000 Bitcoin by October 18th, which would seem bearish a month or two ago. Not so much anymore. And then you're also calling for ETH at 3,700 by September 11th. So I feel like your predictions are the most realistic right now on the channel. Where is that one? Where's that one at? There it is, right there. Boom. 3,700. Doom. Let's go. Yes. Milk Money spamming the flames in the channel. Thank you, my man. Thank you. Bam. Let's go. Thank you. All right. So yeah, what's going on tonight, guys? $111,000 Bitcoin. All we had to do again was hold 108.5. And we held that. We held it pretty strong, actually. We actually dipped a little lower than that over the last weekend. Sunday we hit as low as 107.3, but we recovered pretty quickly back to 108.5, continuing this bullish momentum to the upside. And right now with all the doom, gold, silver, both popping off right now. Usually what happens is Bitcoin kind of trails behind gold. So I would not be surprised if we come up here, retest 113 and some change in the next 24 hours, and then blast off back to retest 117 and higher. Maybe as high as 120 by the end of the week. We'll have to wait and see. There's a ton of narratives, as I keep shouting down the rooftops. A ton of FUD this week. A ton. Oh my gosh. And we have to wait till Friday to get the jobs report. And that could be all crumbling down everything we build up by the end of the week, if those numbers are not what they want to see. All right, so that's what's got going on right now. Let's get back in the chat real quick, catch up with you guys, and then we're going to get into some metrics and catch up as usual. Yeah, still busy at the gym. Super Danny's at the gym. Yes. I like the dislike button because you didn't come to my stream, says Scrupulous. I shouted out to you on chat. I yelled out to you on Discord. How the hell do you expect someone to subscribe? You don't give them a link to your freaking channel. Oh my god. You drive me. You make me some kind of way, scrub. Scrub. Oh god. Scrupulous. Oh come on, man. Anyway, the more your guitar riffs you play, the higher Bitcoin goes, says Uncle Duck. Oh my god. What's up, Chaos Crusader, says Milk Money. Eating papusas and building a chicken crib as I listen, says oh, Jesus. Yeah, you're busy, my man. Busy building more stuff off the grid there, Paul. Yes, what up, Milk Money? Braveheart McFreedom is here. How's it going, Braveheart McFreedom? Colin says papusa. I already said papu. I can't even see it anymore. Oh my god, I'm gonna quit while I'm ahead. Yes, my lady is from Honduras. Papusas, right? Papayas? What? I don't remember how to pronounce that. We love those. I forget exactly what those are. They like empanadas? Okay, feed the fire. Yes, guys, do not forget to feed the fire.
Satoshi started a fire in cyberspace. Take your fiat currency and feed the fire.
Thank you, Milk Money. 111,111 with 111 cents. What the hell? A little line over the last one. Okay, that's a lot of ones, yes. I just looked up what the grifting means. That's kind of offensive. I wasn't even the one who first called you that. It was Jake. All right, I'm just trying to point the blame on him now. God. All right. Oh, jeez, scrub. The jobs report should be amazing for robots. Humans, not so much. Yes, Brave. Yes, more guitar, please. It's a nice distortion tone, Kotaku. Oh, well, thank you, Colin. I've got another one I'm working on restoring here soon. So I'm a buy Gavin Newsom's meme coin. Oh God, Maximus. Oh God. Yes, Braveheart McFreedom says, "Scrupulous, don't dish it out if you can't take it." Oh my God. It doesn't have to be that way, man. My guy, it doesn't have to be that way. If you just read, can you read? Oh my. Okay. Moving on. Bitcoin's getting to 111.5 right now. Let's take a look and see what's going on with the overall charts. Right now we have, let's look at the order books on Bitcoin. Bringing you that for free, the live heat map for free, book map for free. Guys, Kimber, the White Snow Line, don't pay for something you get free on YouTube. It's right here. It looks like it wants to break out at the current moment. The bears are about to step in here soon as we approach 111.5. I believe we already hit it 111.5. Yes, there it is. So, yep, the bears are going to step on in because they don't want us to hit that crucial level. Yeah, that's pretty much the line in the sand before we start to break through towards 120,000. I showed you guys this morning as well, that we're sitting at right above support. So we're looking pretty strong down here. But they are starting to build up quietly almost the same amount of shorts as there is longs. So it's going to be quite a battle to get through this 113K to the top there. Let's see where we are at the chart right here. 113.5, 113.2, 113 basically flat. To break, that's the next level we have to break out in order to move higher and gain back some more support. Of course, previous resistance is now. I mean, hopefully will become support, but yeah, previous support now becomes resistance as we push through all these levels. We've had tons and tons of history of this in the past. Over the last, what has it been? Like 30, 40, 60 days? How long has this been? Oh, let's find out. If I can draw a line. If I can only draw a line. 55 days. 55 days. About 60 days up here, sitting above 110K, with a lot of history around 113. So 108 is still my line in the sand, and we're still on this bullish trend line, so nothing's really stopped. This has been bullish since April. We could even pull back down and hit the fire sale target, and it's not a popular opinion. Fire sale target somewhere between 86 and 90,000. Still, even that would remain bullish in the grand scheme of things, although none of us want to see it. All right, let's get back into the chat one more time, and then we're going to dive into some metrics and news. Okay, I just look forward to the grifting. Yeah, yeah, the jobs reports to be amazing for human. Yes, okay, yeah, the meme coin. So there's another meme coin I want to talk about too. It's getting kind of popular again. Scribulous, don't dish if you can't take it. Yes, I'm here. Sheesh, I'm late. Nebs, you're late. Is XCN cooked, says Scribulous. Probably not. Probably just a little impatient there. Oh my god, dude. Alright, I'm feeling some kind of way right now. Alright. Let's get back to the charts real quick and take a look at XCN and see how it is for my man Chad. The grifter. Scrub. Oh my god, you don't make it any easier, man. Especially when you use names like Chad. Anyway, I'm moving on. Okay, let's see. XCN, my man. Let's take a look. Where are we looking at here? XCN. We're looking at a 10 cent XCN, I wish. 1 cent flat. Damn. It's not cooked, but it's not looking pretty. It's definitely not looking pretty. The absolute bottom that we could possibly see this month, if it gets really raunchy up in here, 208. Hope we don't see that. Hope we don't see that again. Right now it's holding on for dear life, right around a penny, psychological level of a penny. Let's hope it can actually hold there, as I have a huge bag as well. My man. Oh man, what a crazy freaking year this has been. Okay, so yeah, that's what XCN's doing right now. Pretty much on life support at the present moment. It is getting a little bit of a strong bounce here at the present moment. This is the daily chart, so that's a daily candle down there. It's getting pretty tight there as well. Looks like we do want to get a reversal. So I would say send it. Send it.
Go.
Tight. Yes, going like a tiger. Yes. Really? Yeah, like a tiger. Yes.
Like a tiger blood, man. Winning.
Bam. All right. So yeah, I'm gonna say send it. At least back to support, our resistance, which is going to be around 1 cent, 1, 2. Oh my gosh, it's not going to last very long. Hopefully we get some bullish momentum to actually keep our heads above water here, but we do got to get back above there. We're in a very bullish looking structure at the bottom, right? If we could just get a little bit higher. 1 cent 08. That would be a pretty strong indicator that we're going to move to the upside. As of right now, you just kind of have to wait and see if this is going to play out. Inverted head and shoulder pattern to the upside with a very tight bullish pattern. Okay, so that's what we got going on right now. It is tight. It's getting tight. It's more than likely it's 60% chance it's going to go the upside. Okay, where are we at? Where are we at? Back to Bitcoin, right? Back to Bitcoin. Let's get through all the metrics, guys. We got to see what's going on in our space. Right now, Bitcoin wants to break out. Look at this. It's a cup and handle inside of a cup and handle. Oh, God. Oh, Jesus. All right. I kid. But it looks pretty bullish on the 15 minute. Looks like we are printing the cup and the handle right now. Probably getting a little bit, zoom in real quick, maybe the 3 minute, you might be able to see a little bit of that playing out right here. You start to see a little bit of a tight rollover and then a shoot to the upside. It's kind of playing out right now. Yep, kind of playing out right now. Let's see if that actually breaks to the upside. Again, 63% chance that'll play out as well. Okay, getting back into the metrics. Let's get back into it. As you can see right now, the bulls are putting up a fight. We are about ready to engulf them over 111.5, breaking through that to 111.75, probably. The next psychological target for Bitcoin in small price action. It's right now starting to print a little bit of yellow right there. Let's go to the upside. Let's go. All right, let's get into some of this while we're waiting for this to play out. Okay, all right. U.S. national debt currently sitting at 37,311 billion. We crossed the line right at the end of the month. That's right. We printed that 300 billy over. And I did the math. Was it this morning? I believe it was this morning. I did the math. And yeah, we're pretty much going to be set up for another 100 billy before the end of this month as well. So watch out for that. Yeah, we're getting close to that. $37.5 billion. $37.5 trillion. $37.5 trillion. Just silly funny money, guys. It's silly funny money. Before the end of the year. Oh, geez. I'm probably going to be at 38 by the end of the year. Fred decision in September. Right now sitting at an 83% chance over at Polymarket. Top Spotify artist. Really? Bad Bunny over Taylor Swift? Wow. Could have surprised you. Yeah, you surprised me there. Not a big fan of Taylor Swift's latest work, but Bruno Mars 1%. Wow. Yeah, no one's even coming close to running. Wow, Eminem. These are just big names, not really relevant in today's music, I don't think. Anyway, so that's what's going on with, yeah, Polymarket. When do we ever see music on the betting market? It's just crazy. Will Trump release more Epstein files in 2025? There's an 86% chance he will. I'm actually surprised on that percentage there. We try not to talk about that island scenario. Elon Musk, number of tweets in August. Wow, that's kind of dumb and useless. A lot of sports. Normies love their sports, and they're moving into our space, so they're betting on Polymarket. Lisa Cook out as Fed governor. There is a 26% chance by December, so more than likely not going to happen. Yeah, U.S. policymakers are going to be back in office tomorrow. Fear and greed for the stock market ended today at 62, about 2 points lower than it was yesterday, and still in greed. Crypto fear and greed, when I started the stream, was sitting in neutral at 49. Right now, as of course we are in the thick of it, is 55, because we do not sleep and we're still greedy. We're looking at the US dollar index right now, sitting at 98.4. Coming up a little bit today as more old money rush into what they used to be, you know, what they used to call safe assets like treasury bonds, gold, and silver. Of course, Bitcoin to follow. Right now, year to date, still one of my favorite charts on the block, with everything, of course, down and to the right on the Dixie. All right, yeah, crypto bubbles today. Top 100 assets is still up, holding about 3.5% gains on across the board. Not a bad day, guys. Not a bad day. I'm sure your portfolios are pumping back up, but not quite where they were just a week or two ago. So we're still waiting. We're still waiting for a huge rally, but this is a good relief rally anyway for the beginning of the month. Some of your favorite coins like Say is up almost 5%. Bitcoin Cash is even up 7%. Avalanche is up 6%. Freaking Fartcoin and Pump.Fun are up more than double digits. Of course they are. Of course they are. With World Liberty Financial falling about 5% additionally today. We talked about this morning, and of course last night. It's been a wild ride for that token. I'm going to, of course, talk more about it later and remind you guys what happened today. We also have the top 200 assets as well, with ZBAC pushing up over 10%, keeping those gains for the day. Not bad, not bad. Look at that coin run. It definitely deserves it, as it's been fighting at the 203, 204 level now for the last week and a half. What else are we looking at here? Everything else just kind of a blanket 3 to 5% across the board. Not bad at all. Again, what are we looking at for possible DCA opportunity right now on the weekly on the top 200 assets? As I told you guys this morning, we're running out of ideas, we're running out of time to make any significant gains, and nothing has really sold off a huge month on the month. Still looking at tons and tons of gains over the month. My top 2 picks in the top 200 still remain the same as they were this morning. ZBEC and XCN, the only 2 coins right now, they're down double digits with real utility, other than Kita. If you guys believe in Kita, and maybe Venom. But other than that, there's really nothing down quite as much as these, in my opinion, with XCN now down almost 30% on the month. As I just showed you that chart. What was it that Scrub said? We're cooked. It's cooked. No, XCN's not cooked. It's just having a hard time. All right, going back to the top 100. I didn't really see anything here. I just told you that I'm personally still stacking more of my gains, or my my bags of Sui and Sei. They're not down a ton. I don't even think they're down on the month anymore. I think maybe a tiny bit. Oh, I can't even find them. It's always when I need to find them that I can't find them. Yeah, Sui's still down about 5% on the month, and Sei still down not very much. It's up 2.6 on the month, down 3% on the week. So again, we're running out of opportunities, guys. Those are my 2 picks. Again, not financial advice, just what I am picking. All right, I am not your financial advisor. I do this for fun, and not for. I'm not a financial advisor. All right, moving on. Okay, so market cap for Bitcoin dominance still hanging out around 58 and some change. We came down to a low today of 58.5. That's about it. So we're still waiting to fall down further. I say the bull run doesn't really start until we hit like 55% and or lower. 55 is going to be kind of like the beginning of the war cry, if you will, for altcoin season. So I think it's going to get kind of started there. So we still got about 3% Bitcoin, left to shed off dominance, and that could happen as fast as tomorrow. I mean, you never know. We have all this news now of other big institutional investors and treasury companies. I mean, there's another one today. You'll be surprised about. Can't wait to go over it with you guys in the real news here in a second. Okay, a total market cap for crypto assets today still hanging out around the same as it was this morning. I think it might have been 3.83 trillion this morning. Hasn't really done too much today. Yep, was that? Oh, damn, was that today? No, it wasn't. That was back in August. The 23rd. I'm on the 30-day, that's why. Okay, let's zoom on in here. We got as high as, 3.83. I thought it was 3.84 trillion this morning. Yeah, we just hit it again right now. Okay, so about the same as we were this morning. Nothing really happened other than the market open. We dumped a little bit there, touching 3.75, and then moved onward. All in all, we're holding on pretty good. We're basically near all-time highs. What is that? $300 billion needs to enter, and then we're back to where we were, right, a week or 2 ago. Okay, so that's where we are with the total market cap for crypto assets, and then we're looking at total market cap, top 10 assets right now. Pretty much hanging around the same. Chainlink's getting really close to start challenging Cardano. All it takes is for them to get one, maybe two or three big investors, dump a few billion in there, and they could get challenge Cardano in a serious manner. But they're still about half of the market cap overall of Cardano. If the Hyperliquid and them keep going back and forth though, for about 100 or so billion, billion, 100 or so million. These silly numbers. Okay, yes, and other than that, did Solana get flipped by BNB again? I think it did. Yep, Solana got flipped by BNB again as it continues to rip. Almost back to its 900 level. Almost. My God, man, this thing has been killing it. $2 shy of hitting 9. I'm pretty sure it hit 901 or something like that. I just can't get the exact time, moment on there. But yeah, this is what we're looking at tonight. Sui falling down a spot or two and hitting that down to 14 now in market cap. As Athena USDE pushes forward, Bitcoin Cash holding 100, number 15 still. It's crazy. Avalanche sitting at number 17. And that's pretty much it. Avalanche falling down a little further as well. Probably going to get flipped by H-Bar soon. I don't know. Man, I think Avalanche might be able to flip Stellar sooner than it'll get flipped by Hedera. And then, of course, our daily audible mention going out to Jasmine, hanging on there at 99 in market cap, just barely holding on to the top 100 as it struggles to keep 1/6 of a penny. Okay. All right. We still can't get back above there, man. We're still hanging out around 1.4. Okay. Yes, my favorite metric to show you guys every single day, and that is how many Bitcoin are left on exchanges. This is it. This is all that's left, guys. As we dump deeper and deeper into the trenches on the exchanges. Boom. With market cap still where it is. Still somewhere around 2.23 million and 2.24. Again, the lowest level we've ever seen on exchanges in the last 10 years. Redonkulous. All right, Bitcoin treasuries today, again, being the first day of the week. MicroStrategy, of course, announced their new purchase. I believe they're closer to 640. I don't think this is as up to date as today. I think they're up to 639. I have the real number in the real news over on X. We'll pull that up later. But yeah, this is as of today. It does look like this is as of today. Another 4,000 Bitcoin purchase, and right now they're holding 636,500 Bitcoin. BlackRock, of course, does not slow down as well. Neither do all the other companies purchasing Bitcoin. As you can see here, Marathon Holdings still holding 50,000. 21 Capital holding 43,000. Standard Charter, Bitcoin Standard Charter, 30,000, and Bullish 24. Those are your top 5. With MetaPlanet coming in with a close number 6. They just hit 20,000 too. Really play with the big leagues there. And then we have the big guys, the ETFs. The ETFs right now. With iShares almost at that 750,000 Bitcoin level. Oh my God, it's jumping all over the place. Every time I go to this website, it's a mess. All right. I'm over it. I am over it. Okay. Bitcoin Rainbow chart still telling you guys to be buying. We're not even in accumulation again. We're out of there. This is silly. I cannot zoom in. Oh my God. Oh my God. There we go. Oh my God. This is a mess. This is a mess. All right, guys, we're just scuffed tonight. Okay, so yes, sitting at 87,000, between 87 and 117K. We're still in the buy zone. Accumulation doesn't start until we hit 117 and break out towards that 120K Bitcoin. Again, still cheap is now somewhere between 160 and 222,000. Remember last time I looked at this? What was it? Still cheap was at 155. The longer we go in the cycle, guys, the more cheaper Bitcoin becomes at these levels. Again, do not forget that. It's going to get crazy. All right, Bitcoin right now sitting at number 8 in total market cap as silver outperforms Bitcoin over the second day in a row. And Amazon and Google getting a huge bump today. If you guys didn't hear the news, Google's Chrome did not. They do not have to sell Google Chrome in order to meet the standards of U.S. law and the monopolization of their company and yada yada. They don't have to split up Google and sell off Chrome. So that is why Google is pumping today. So that happened right after the hours of operation. I believe this started trading in futures. So it's going to be pretty explosive tomorrow morning, I bet. With maybe Google getting closer to Apple's market cap. Probably ain't going to hit $3 trillion though off of this news, but it's definitely going to move in the right direction for that company. All right, so that's what's going on with the top 10 assets in the world today. All right, let's get into some of the news here. Before I do, let's catch back up with the chat. And then I'm going to remind you what you missed this morning. If you were here, then you already know. Okay, all right, so where are we? So yeah, no, XEN is not cooked, not quite yet. It's damn near close though. Yes, welcome home, Nebs. Welcome home. How's it going, Nebs? We missed you, my man. Stuck at the Fiat Factory says Jake the Snake. I need a hero. Well, I'll try to be your hero, man. I'm here, man. I'm here. If you just need an ear, all you need is an ear. All you need is an ear, and I got you, man. Jake the Snake. With the things we do for DCA and money. Yeah, seriously. The things we do just for a little bit of money to throw into the market. Just need liquidity, man. Just need some liquidity. Yes, but that's 15 million chart. Not sure what you're referring to there. The 15-minute chart. Yes, I do all my I do all my readings on the 15-minute chart, my man. Come on. I've been doing this for like years. All right, the land of the rising sun. Yes, Lawrence. Lawrence? Are you you're out in Japan, aren't you? Yeah. Fly surf life is back. What? Oh, what the heck, Braveheart? Do you guys like XCM because of the chart or the fundamentals? A little both. It was a really good. XCM was a really good platform, at least at the beginning of the cycle, to possibly be utilized for like the Swift, challenging Swift in certain ways. Now I don't know. Tron's kind of mixed that up. There's been issues with their. I'm not gonna get into all the details. we gotta catch up with the chat. Yes. You. How's it going, Lawrence? Maximus is a new scum coin of an overtaxed homeless person with purple hair. Hashtag Cali. Oh my God, guys, you're gonna get me banned. All right. Silver hit $41 a day. Yes, it did. Both. That's Scrub saying that. Lawrence says both. Colin, I love the passive staking income. Colin, word up on pupusas, papayas. I don't know. Bitcoin's so close to popping off. Long bottom. Long the bottom. Long bottom. Yes. Jane Drew. 1994, Newsom 2028. You think he's coming? You think he's got? I mean, he's still leading in the polls on Polymarket for the top pick candidate for 2028. I think it's gonna happen. I don't think they have anyone else really to choose. At Night says, I'm tired of being a pre-rich, ready for the blast off. Let's go, guys. When moon, exactly.
When will then be now?
Soon. Why is ETH down today, but everything else is green? There were a lot of we covered it this morning. There was an exploit with World Liberty Financial. We're going to dive right into that next. So stay tuned if you didn't hear about that. And if you bought some World Liberty Financial and you have some exposure to ETH, you might want to check your bags. Make sure you still got all your goodies. All right. So Moon Rocks is up 16%. With Caesar was predicting a 1,000x on Moon Rocks. Oh my God, Moon Rocks. I got some moonstones in the studio. Just an FYI to y'all, I grabbed some on Phantom Wallet. If Caesar says 1,000x, I think 10x is a safe bet. Yeah, that sounds realistic, right? Oh my God, you guys are crazy. Braveheart, 100%. Big Fear says, Scrub, buy everything. Yeah, yes, that's kind of the way it is. But it's not really. There's not enough blood to really buy everything right now. That was last week, so you should have been buying already. Yo, Braveheart, thank you. Did Mom drop off my smokes? I don't think so. Gamma had a pack yesterday. I don't know if that was what you were expecting, though. So you have to take that up with her in the chat. Scrub says, my time in crypto has shown me more that the fear and greed indicator is the most reliable when it comes to buy and sell. Yeah, that's a pretty good indicator, my man. 100%. It depends on which one you look at, though, because you can look at multiple ones. Just give you for an example. I mean, there's one on CoinMarketCap that shows you right now that we're in fear, or basically in fear, getting close to fear at neutral. The very, very low portion of neutral at 42. As the one I just showed you, we were just in green over at Cointree.com. This one shows that we're 55 in greed. So again, it really depends on where you look at. Just make sure you're looking at that one persistently, right? And consistently. Okay, so let's see what we see in here. Brave Farmer Freedom says, LOL. You know, Mom said, bong is okay. Siggy butts, no way. What the hell? What the hell, man?
Stupid.
Oh my God. Okay. I guess that makes sense. Yes, Scrub says, I don't sell because of this altcoin season I keep hearing about. Yes. We all are waiting for it. We are waiting for it. Maybe it'll never happen because we're all waiting for it. Yes, accumulate pink alligator speaks in all caps. Oh my God, Colin. Hey guys says I'm late, but yes, Chaos still made it to give you the well-deserved like. Thank you, my hey guy. Thank you, my man. I appreciate the likes. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, guys, in the chat. Jake is working tonight, and he's a little occupied. Of course, for me to remind you, Jake the Snake, the King of Ohio, demands that I show harder. So please, listen to the floppy disk. Oh my god. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Yes, Milk Money bringing on the flames. Let's go. Let's freaking go. Yes. Thank you, my man. Thank you. Yes, Tough Economy Nebs says Braveheart. Can you believe a mofo paid me in change? Yeah, that happens, my man. It happens. Oh shit, man. I don't even know anyone who uses cash anymore, but okay. Every once in a while I'll buy something on Craigslist or not Craigslist, what is it? Facebook Marketplace now. And you'll be like, oh yeah, oh cash only. I'm like, yeah, you ever heard of this little thing called crypto? How about Venmo, PayPal? Let's go back to 1999 real quick. I think it needs to change back. What the hell? Yes, 100%. Tough economy. Yes, happy Tuesday. Ben Lawrence is in the house. How's it going, Ben? A warm welcome to you as always, Ben. Yes, happy Tuesday. Taco Tuesday today, guys. Happy Ben. Happy, what's up, Ben? Yes, Ben Lawrence says only one like and subscribe, please, says Ben. Well, thank you. Yeah, what's your take on Crow Bro debating to buy more tonight? Jordinks, it's a solid project. It's got tons of partnerships. It's been announced in the last, was it 48 hours, 72 hours? I think it's been 72 hours since the Crow and True Social partnership was announced. But again, anything like all these other Trump-involved coins, they're going to be massive pump and dump. So again, invest what you're only willing to lose. Yeah, cash for farmers markets and small business until they start taking my bad token. S-bad? What? Cash bad? Oh my god. Oh jeez, Cliff. All right, guys. I'm going to get back into the news real quick. I want to just quickly touch base on this article I talked to you guys about this morning. So if you guys were here this morning, you already caught it when it was breaking news. But yeah, Trump's crypto project, World Liberty Financial, is under attack as the Ethereum upgrade backfires. So what went wrong? Well, basically what went wrong was there was a little bit of a technical loophole, an exploit, if you will, with Ethereum when the token launched on World Liberty Financial. And I'm assuming these are only for wallets that were already prone to phishing attacks in the past. For my knowledge, I don't 100% understand it, but yeah, I would definitely make sure you check if you're playing around with World Liberty Financial. I'd be checking your wallets, making sure the balances are accurate, because that's what happened today, and that's why Ethereum is still kind of on the downside today. All right, so the attacks leverage vulnerability in Petra upgrade that allows externally owned accounts to delegate control to smart contracts, enabling attackers to plant malicious code that instantly drains all incoming ETH and tokens. So again, keep your eyes peeled. And I personally wouldn't. I mean, I didn't, but I wouldn't be. Maybe buy if you really want to get into World Liberty Financial. I'm not going to tell you guys what to do. Maybe have a separate wallet. Use a hot wallet, something like that. Maybe use an exchange token wallet like Coinbase wallet or something. I don't know. I just personally wouldn't be wanting to risk something so close to the end of the bull run. Anyway, so that's what's happened this morning with that. So be careful, guys. Be careful out there. I want to get into another thing. There was something else I wanted to touch before I get too deep. Where was it? Damn, I think it's back here. Is it back here? Before I go digging, where is this damn thing? This one. Clean Core on the U.S. Stock Exchange plunges 60% after unveiling a 175 million Dogecoin treasury strategy. I told you guys, ETFs or Doge is coming up soon. It's coming. Oh, jeez. Yeah, so Clean Core pivots to Dogecoin, being superheaded by its newly appointed board chairman, Alex Spiro, a long-time attorney for Elon Musk. The connections is just insane. And the picture there is ridiculous too. Clean Core Solutions, a Nebraska-based maker of Aquanius ozone cleaning systems, saw its shares plunge over 60% on Tuesday after announcing plans to become a Dogecoin treasury company. The company disclosed $175 million in private placement backed by over 80 institutional and crypto native investors, including Pantera, GSR, Falcon X, and Borderless. Proceeds will be used to acquire Dogecoin as Clean Core's primary reserve asset, with the initiative led by newly appointed board chairman Alex Spiro, Elon Musk's longtime attorney. The new Doge strategy company is also partnering with the Doge Foundation and commercial arm House of Doge as part of the deal. Dogecoin founder director Timothy Stebbing and House of Doge CEO Marco Marigota will take board the executive roles at the Clean Core, with Marigota Gayauda, whatever you pronounce that, appointed as chief investment officer. So yeah, that just happened today. The House of Doge and crypto ETF issuer 21 Shares will advise on treasury strategy and governance. So it's interesting. Even 21 Shares is getting involved with their ETF strategy for their company, including plans to explore staking-like yield opportunities and institutional investment products tied to Doge. By anchoring Dogecoin with the official foundation-backed treasury strategy, we're setting a precedent for how public companies can align with foundations to build real utility around a digital currency. Maria Gayota, whatever, said in the statement. Clean Core's stock plunged to $2.69 today in early trading Tuesday from $6.86 of Friday's close. Holy shit. Yes, at the time of writing, shares of NASDAQ listed company are down 54%. Dogecoin treasury companies abound. Several other publicly traded firms have now moved to build Dogecoin treasuries in 2025. And in January, Spirit Blockchain Capital, an investment firm focused on blockchain infrastructure, announced plans to leverage its Doge holdings for yield generation strategies. Dogecoin Cash Incorporated, formerly a cannabis and telehealth company, announced in July to purchase 1 billion Doge through its new subsidiary, Dogecoin Treasury Incorporated. In July, BitOrigin, former Chinese pork producer, also pivoted into Bitcoin mining, announced plans to launch a Dogecoin treasury backed up by $50 million in equity, convertible debt financing as well. Oh boy. So yeah. Meanwhile, Dogecoin has fallen about 33% in 2025, according to the data from TradingView. Yes. It will be back on the rise again when the ETFs are officially released. All right. That's again my opinion. Those ETFs, man, they're definitely gonna change the way we do everything here in the States and the rest of the world too. All right, what else are we looking at, guys? Let's take a look and see what else we can find. More and more news tonight. Jack Ma linked Young Feng Financial to build Ethereum treasury, starting with $44 million in Ethereum purchases. This came out 7 hours ago. Let's refresh and see if there's anything else breaking tonight. Not really. Bitcoin, be ready to lose 100,000. Ethereum, bounce hinges on 4,000. Shiba Inu, awaiting explosion to or zero. That is a very, very doom-filled article there with no explanation at all in the headline. Meme coin, Google searches signal retail interest is stirring up again, but far from January's frenzied peak, which we still have not come anywhere near the previous highs back in January on most coins. Bitcoin blockbuster, Killing Satoshi film to star Casey Affleck. What the hell? And Pete Davidson. What? There's a Bitcoin movie coming out, apparently. Killing Satoshi. Oh, it's a documentary. Is it a documentary? No, it's a feature film. Documentaries have so far failed to identify Bitcoin's pseudonymous creator, Satoshi Nakamoto's, convincingly. Now an upcoming feature film, notable Hollywood creatives, aims to point the dramatic spin on the crypto's creation and impact. Hollywood is turning its lens toward crypto with A Killing Satoshi, a conspiracy thriller that will explore the secret identity of Satoshi Nakamoto. Director, if it's not Hal Finney, I don't want to watch it.
What are you
stupid?
All right. Director Doug Liman, known for The Bourne Identity, Mr. and Mrs. Smith, and The Swingers, will helm the project, starring Oscar winner Casey Affleck and Pete Davidson, according to the report from Variety. The film's screenplay, written by Nick Schenk, who previously collaborated with Clint Eastwood on Gran Torino, and The Mule, traces with described as elite cabal's efforts to prevail the truth from surfacing. Okay. Oh man, we got Polymarket. Is that Polymarket betting right there? Will Satoshi Nakamoto's wealth be above 150 billion at the end of September? You have to do the math on Bitcoin and see where Bitcoin would be by then. See how much a million and 1.2 million, I think, is Satoshi's holding, something like that. I love David and Goliath stories. Lehman told Variety, killing Satoshi follows unlikely anti-heroes like myself. Let's go. On the most powerful people on the planet in the epic battle that strikes at the core what is money and who controls it. I mean, getting down on the big screen is definitely worthy enough of this film. The film is being produced by Ryan Kavanaugh, the former Relativity Media CEO, who financed films including The Social Network, which is a pretty good movie, and The Fighter. Never seen it. Before he studio filed for bankruptcy in 2015, Kavanaugh, who once planned to launch a token called Proxy Coin to help fund film projects, is producing the film alongside Lawrence Gray and Shane Valdez. This is not just a movie about Bitcoin; it's an elusive, mysterious origins, but really what it stands for. Kavanaugh told Variety, "We look at this film as much more the same way as we did The Social Network and its examination of Facebook." The film is set to begin production in October in London with an expected 2026 release date. Damn, it's coming quick. Satoshi Nakamoto's creation, when launched in 2009, birthed the nearly $4 trillion crypto industry through Bitcoin founder, disappeared from the internet in 2011. He's potentially sitting on a massive trove of Bitcoin wallets connected. Satoshi holds about 1.1 million Bitcoin, or approximately 122 billion in today's current prices. What kind of gives us the answer is what we were looking at earlier. All right. Okay, so yeah, Satoshi. He will strike again in the box office. Coming to a theater near you. Oh my God. Killing Satoshi. Oh, jeez. Okay, Aeon partners with Fastnex. Ethereum NFT activity plummets to the lowest level ever recorded. That's crazy. How is that even possible? We just talked about a resurgent in NFT activity last week. It's crazy how things just flip like a dime. 3 U.S. crypto stocks to watch this week. Yeah, we don't care. Enough of this stuff and things. Okay. Kevin Spacey reveals film created with alleged crypto Ponzi schemer. Oh boy. Are you talking about are you talking about Sam Bankman-Fried? Jeez. Okay, Kevin Spacey unveiled his latest comeback project with Venice Film Festival this weekend, an intricate sci-fi film starring, produced, and written by the Russian man accused of the U.S. government of running a crypto Ponzi scheme. Okay, never mind. Different alleged crypto Ponzi schemer. All right. I hate when they used headlines like that because he's not a alleged Ponzi schemer. He alleged a crypto Ponzi scheme. Oh, these headlines. Oh, God, I can't.
What are you, stupid?
I can't. All right, moving on. Let's see what else we can dig up tonight. Let's check back in the chat real quick and see how you guys are doing. Bam! Ben Lawrence blowing up the chat. What is going on? Jesus. Yes. Cash for farmers markets and small businesses. Okay. Scrub says, isn't being the president talking about crypto capital of the world, making World Liberty Financial kind of like the ultimate insider trading? Yes, it is kind of, yeah. I mean, it's technically not him personally, it's his family's company, but still, nonetheless, yes, it does. So was his meme coin at the beginning of the year. Don't forget that as well. Or also, now this partnership with True Social and Crypto.com. What else? Melania token. What else? Oh my God, don't get me started. Okay, love it. First block, how to lose a hot wallet in 10 days, or token of my affection, trying to name my crypto rom-com. Yeah. You're really good with those titles, my man. Crypto JPEG says, Otaku, I made it. Yes, late. When moon? Soon, when but not soon enough.
Soon.
It's coming soon, man. Sometimes the hardest fork is in your heart. Oh my God, Ben. Will the short Will she short the romance or go long? Oh my god. Those are so cheesy, my man. You complete my block. You had me at the airdrop. Oh my god. The website's crypto news sounds like FUD site. It is. It really is. Ben Lawrence says she's a trader secretly leveraging altcoins while telling her family she's just into NFTs for the art. God. He's a button-up quant trapped in spreadsheets who craves one risky trade to shake things. Oh my god, dude. And Neb says his butt itches at the sight of that. All right, guys. All right. Let's get back in the news, see what else we can dig up. The big one today, I did want to go over this one more time. We did talk about this morning, so you guys were here this morning. You heard about it from the breaking news this morning. But Google creates, I guess launches a Google Cloud Universal Ledger. Is it a XRP killer? That's where some critics are saying, and they remain skeptical, arguing that centralization control by Google runs counter to the core principles of decentralization. We talked about this morning, but yeah, Google is coming out with their cloud-based token, and some critics are calling it an XRP killer. I don't want to spend too much time. I definitely don't want to spend too much money on this. I did look it up this morning, but I couldn't find a place you could actually participate in this. I don't think it's in the open markets just yet. It's just in pre-sale probably. All right, what else we have here? XRP takes center stage in Vivo powered treasury strategy with Doppler. SEC, CFTC collaborate on crypto oversight to boost U.S. spot markets. Bitcoin reclaims 111,000 after strategy and Metaplan go bargain hunting. That's exactly what Saylor called it on his X platform page, with him posting Bitcoin's still on sale today when he bought Bitcoin yesterday. Or the opposite. Yesterday when he bought Bitcoin today. Okay, yeah. I'm all over the place tonight, guys. Alright, so what else we got? That is Bitcoin.com's headlines. We pretty much already caught up with those this morning. Thiel-backed whale, ETH Villa drives into liquid restaking, injecting 100 million Ethereum into EtherFi. Okay, any other? Hey, come on, give me something juicy, man. Something powerful. Come on. This is all nothing burgers, man. Bitcoin climbs toward 111K as World Liberty Financial and Meme Core lead sector outliers. Yes, we already went over all that stuff and things. Ethereum Foundation to sell 10,000 ETH for research and development, grants and donations. So they're pulling some more money out of Ethereum for their foundation. The roughly 43 million Ether sale. $33 million Ethereum sale will be one of the latest actions by the foundation following the rollout of its treasury policy in June. The Ethereum Foundation has announced another sale would be worth about $43 million in Ethereum as part of its efforts to fund research and development, grants, and donations related to the ecosystem. In a Tuesday X post, the foundation said it would plan to convert 10,000 Ethereum. Did they mention anything? We were looking this morning. We were digging deep into Vitalik's posts and the Ethereum Foundation, trying to find their response to the World Liberty Financial news. They didn't have anything to say on it, but they wanted to at least announce a sell-off today for their foundation. Using centralized exchanges over several weeks, the group said the conversion intended to fund its work will take place over the multiple smaller orders rather than a single large transaction. The sale comes after the foundation temporarily paused and opened grant applications. Okay, grant applications on Friday as part of an effort to overhaul its grant process as the first quarter of 2025. Ethereum Foundation said it has distributed more than 32 million in grants, including those for the community and education. Foundation supporting the Ethereum blockchain released a treasury policy in June, which laid out the considerations for Ethereum sales. Specifically, Ethereum Foundation said it would periodically calculate the deviation of the treasury's fiat-denominated assets and determine how much, if any, Ethereum will be sold over the next 3 months. Since announcing the treasury policy, the foundation sold about 25 million worth of Ethereum to SharpLink Gaming, and 2,795 Ethereum worth about 12.7 million. That's kind of shady. I mean, it's not because they're open about it, but they're essentially enacting themselves as a over-the-counter participant. and selling that to Sharplink Gaining doesn't affect the price of Ethereum on the open market. Anyway, so Ethereum worth about 12.7 million in 2 transactions. One of the Ethereum Foundation's most significant sales of 100,000 Ethereum in December of 2020 may have contributed to the price surging to then all-time highs over months. At the time of publication, Ethereum was worth about $4,326, according to Nansen, having surged more than 23% in the past 30 days. Whew. Okay. All right. So, yeah. So it looks like they are starting to run dry on some of their funding, and they need to start selling some more to fund their next venture. Seems like the next. Maybe they're trying to acquire some important developers on the project. I don't know. But what I do know is, guys, over on YouTube, while I got it on my mind, the other one, Ethereum. There's a documentary on Vitalik. I actually watched it on my trip. It just came out this year. Where is it? Vitalik came out 5 months ago. No, that was a trailer. This one just came out. I believe it was just like a month or less. Pretty new. Where is the date on this? I don't know when it came out. But the trailer came out 5 months ago, so it probably followed this. But anyway, it's about an hour and a half long. It's actually a really good watch. I knew about some of this stuff, but I did not know about all of it and where they currently are. Obviously, I lived through the Shanghai update, so I went from proof of work to proof of staking on Ethereum. But for those who didn't, participate in that last cycle, maybe you want to give this a watch. I thought it gave me some value, and I'm sure you guys would like to see this as well. It also gives you a little bit of a hint into the mind of Vitalik. Oh, Jesus. All right, I'm going to leave it at that. All right. Is it not letting me show? It's not letting me show this. It's not letting me show this. Really? Wow. Wow, it's not. That's funny. Okay. I can't even take a screenshot of it. Wow. Wow. Okay. All right. Well, it's there if you guys want to watch it. For free. Again, for free. Don't pay for something you get for free.
What are you, stupid?
Okay. All right. So that's what's going on with the Ethereum Foundation. Yeah. Anyway. Moving on. Let's see if we can dig up some more. Oh, God. Picoin. And the daily coin headlines right now. Picoin. Oh, my God. It's coming back. It's going to $1. I'll believe when I see it. Coinbase slashes XRP stash. It sounds like they're reducing their XRP holdings on Coinbase. Yeah, that's about only big takeaway here on Daily Coin right now. Let's go back to the chat and see what you guys are feeling. All right. Stoplight is a more versatile option too. What says Colin? I'm not sure. I missed something up here. The website Crypto News sounds like a FUD site. Okay, yeah, I think I read that earlier. Scrub. Ben Lawrence says she's a trader secretly leveraging. Oh, God. Yes, the movie titles. Yes, I read those as well. Grease Up Nebs. Yeah, Scrub is calling out Nebs, saying that it's a sign to stop letting men play down there when your butt itches. He's making that fiat, man. He's got to keep making that fiat. That's how he does it. Yes. Why is it okay that when Ripple got sued for doing that? What? Why is it okay when Ripple got sued for doing that? I'm not sure what you're referring to there. Are you talking about the for selling off their coins? I mean, they. From what I understand, they did it inside. They did it on the inside. Yeah, I don't think that's even really comparable. It's not really. Yeah, that's not exactly what Ethereum, ETH did. Not what Ethereum's doing now. They're also Ethereum's a non-profit. It's two totally different things. But anyway, YouTube is censoring otaku. It is, man. It really is. We saw it. Yeah, Ben Lawrence says ETH selling coins. Then Ripple got sued for the same thing. No, they sold coins, but it was for profit according to the SEC, like for inside profit, and I don't think it was. Man, it's hard to describe this whole thing again. I really don't want to go down that rabbit hole. It's not the same though. I'm telling you, it's definitely not the same. These companies do it all the time. World Liberty Financial just did it. They just did it as well. Their investors, again, they just sold off this morning. Again, we went over yesterday morning. We went over the the coin metrics on World Liberty Financial. Basically, 20% of the supply, 25% is in the supply right now. 20% of the supply was early investors, pre-sale only. They got, of course, into the launch and rug pulled everyone at the very beginning. Okay, so yeah, there's all that stuff, guys. Let's get back into more news. What else can we dig up? Hedge fund Elliott Management takes $4 billion bet on iconic American company. Okay. Man with 56 warrants allegedly masterminds new cash trapping. Ah, man. You know the news is really slow when covering this shit. Crypto exchange Gemini targeting IPO with Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, and Citi as lead book runners. That's pretty bullish. But again, Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, I know that's Morgan Stanley, and Citibank all are looking at investing and getting their clients into crypto soon. Real estate crash. Big short investor Steve Eisman updates outlook on housing market amid dip in home sales. Today actually, Trump actually came out today and said there could be a housing crisis if we do not get this stuff underway. There's definitely a lot of fear on that as well. $1.2 billion floods into China. Stocks, ETFs after Goldman Sachs lifts equity target report. Oh God, and there we go. Back into gold price targets for gold that we saw this morning. So it's pretty much all the news today, guys. Pretty lackluster. On the first trading day, it wasn't too bad. Not quite news heavy yet, but we're still waiting for a lot of our policymakers to get back into the office tomorrow. All right, so we're probably going to get some more, Fed Lisa Cook news tomorrow on that ruling. But other than that, it's going to be slow week. All right, let's take a look at the real news over on X. I got a few things to share with you guys that I didn't share with you guys this morning. Of course, some of the big stuff is guys talking about the Trump family and their their ties to crypto. Well, big news. Trump family wealth surged by $5 billion after launching World Liberty Financial token. And again, as I told you guys, 20% went, of course, the pre-sale was unlocked today and went off the market. And $5 billion, again, it reached like 17 in total market cap in the first day of trading. It's like Trump and Melania coin mania all over again, right? And that's why I didn't want to touch this damn thing with a 10-foot pole. And I said the same thing about Crow last week too, and you already see where Crow's at right now, sitting down at 30% or whatever it was from the last breakout. It did run as high as, was it like 60, 90%? That's some crazy run. It's come back down since then. Another solo miner has mined another entire Bitcoin. That's right, an entire Bitcoin from another solo miner. That's like the sixth one this year alone. Worth, of course, 340,000. About 3 Bitcoins. Decentralization is winning. Winning.
You win so much.
Not quite yet. What else we got on here I want to share with you guys? Doge pumped 800% in just one day in the last bull run in 2021. That's what an altcoin season is, so don't sell early. Don't do anything stupid. Don't sell your coins before the bull run. Thank you, Oscar. Let's set everyone straight. Yeah, it's fine. Just go out there and go pet a bear. It's fine. It's fine. Just don't bite me. Don't bite me. All right. Publicly traded Sharplink Gaming buys another $40 billion worth of ETH, as we talked about this earlier, directly from the Ethereum Foundation. Tom Lee said we're about to witness a huge market rally. I'm not quite sure where the quote is coming from, or this is relatively new or not. But of course, Tom Stratt's been very, very positive on the month of September, as he pointed to last month in August. All right, guys, that's where I got going right now. We're going to get into some doom scrolling, see what we got tonight. Unfiltered doom scrolling right out the gate. What do we got? ZBEC, yes. ZBEC coming out talking about their compliance roadmap. It's moving right on schedule. SOC 2 is complete. Next up is the MICA approval, expected in September. Damn, guys, you're probably going to see a huge rally on that. The FCA progress expected at the end of October, and ISO certification targeted by the end of 2025. With Gate Knox leading, we executing our compliance roadmap with show more precision and hitting regulatory milestones right on schedule. So, speaking of roadmaps, I was disappointed with Jasmine's roadmap this year, but damn, ZBEC is knocking it out of the park. Good morning. Good morning. It's nice and sunny with a chance of a few clouds. But Bitcoin sitting at if you're holding a 0.21 Bitcoin, that's almost a little less than a quarter of a Bitcoin. It's currently valued at 23,171. Have a great day. Have a great day. What the hell? I don't know who the hell is trolling for that. I gotta follow these people. They're hilarious. Oh my god. All right. Jack Mallers explains why Ethereum will never flip Bitcoin. I guess we can watch this clip. It's only a minute long.
What are your thoughts on that? Flip Bitcoin. I think it's ridiculous. Bitcoin is disrupting money. The market size for money, which is humans that have created value that need to save and later exchange in something, it's about $400 to $500 trillion. That's what Bitcoin's going after. So Ethereum's not trying to be money. We all know that.
What?
It's a supercomputer. It's a stablecoin power-upper. It's a NFT, whatever. What these smart contract people don't understand is like money's the biggest problem in the world, the $500 trillion problem. So let's assume Ethereum becomes the new Apple. Think about how much value Apple has created to society. And let's say Ethereum, let's give credit Ethereum doesn't deserve. If Ethereum becomes the new Apple, Ethereum would be like as big as Bitcoin is today. So Ethereum would need to become the new Apple to compete with Bitcoin now. Okay, 3 trillion, not 500 trillion. So you're saying Ethereum, the world's computer, is going to be bigger than the equities market? What are you, smoking crack? You crazy? It's just stupid. It's just stupid. Being honest, for my honest opinion, that's my honest opinion. I mean, come on, let's be real. What are we talking about? There's money and then there are companies. Two entirely different things.
It's a very, very pro-Bitcoin stance, of course, coming from Strike founder Jack Mallers, but also a contrarian opinion to Fundstrat's Tom Lee. If you guys caught the videos we were sharing last week, him, of course, talking about how there is multiple 100x's in Ethereum's future. Yes, of course. But it's not trying to be money anymore. Even though Vitalik still looks at Ethereum as as currency. All right, guys. So let's see what's going on here. It's time to pass the Clarity Act in placement and cement the U.S. as a global leader of digital assets. This is Brian Steele. I think this is an older one, though. I don't think this is new, is it? It came out 5 hours ago. He shared it, so I'm assuming he's doing his
We
due
passed
diligence.
the Clarity Act in the House before we left for August. We showed overwhelming
It's gotta pass the
bipartisan
Senate.
support. Why? Because we know we need the United States to be the leader in Web3 technology, and that means we need a regulatory framework for digital assets here in the United States. This is possibly the most important piece of legislation that the Senate's going to pass in a bipartisan manner later this year. I'd love to see.
All right, and of course, Cynthia Lummis believes that's going to get done before Thanksgiving. Okay, Michael Silver says he acquired another 4,048 Bitcoin. Of course, we covered this morning, guys. That puts their stack at roughly around 636,500 Bitcoin. Elon Musk, shows off a Fukang meteorite that fell in the mountains near Fukang, China, and it is estimated to be 4.5 billion years old. That's a gorgeous freaking rock. My God. Bulgaria sold 213,500 Bitcoin in 2017. At today's price, it would have wiped out their entire national debt, and they missed it. All right, what else we got here? Anything else here? Ondo Global Markets will make its debut. 100 plus tokenized stocks ETFs go live on Ethereum. Markets become open for everyone. Over on Ondo, again, one of the largest real-world asset plays there is out there. Rumor Tom Lee is going on Joe Rogan before Sailor? Are you kidding me?
What are you, stupid?
What the hell? We just talking about Fundstrat's Tom Lee. That would be amazing and probably the largest segue to Sailor we could ever get. My God, he's had everyone else on there talking about the future of money, except for the ones that really matter, in my opinion. Robert Breedlove and Michael Saylor. He's had Ray Dalio on there, I believe. He's had, I'm pretty sure he's had Antonopoulos on there. I'm sure he's had, he's definitely had him on there. He's had plenty of market analysts and economists. It's just not the ones we want in our space. Okay, just in, Max Kaiser warns U.S. debt crisis will send Bitcoin above 2 million. These numbers are always ridiculous. Let's go, Max. Let's go. Crazy bastard. I love him. President Trump announces U.S. military airstrike on Venezuelan narco-terrorists heading to America. Okay. Another big news today, guys, again, spurring more fear into the market, was Chicago. We're talking about martial law possibly this week in Chicago. Oh my God, if there isn't enough narratives to worry about. Chicago, military takeover. We're going in, says Trump, to send the National Guard troops to Chicago. This is not that far away from where I live. Just saying. It's only a hop and a skip. I'm like 2 hours away from the mainland, the main center of the city. Ridiculous stuff.
Came just hours after a federal judge blocked Trump's administration from using the military to fight crime in California. Illinois Governor J.B. Pritzker called the president's remarks unhinged.
In the coming days, we expect to see what has played out in Los Angeles and Washington, D.C. to happen here in Chicago.
Well, then get your shit together. You don't have to have like 10 murders every night. Like, oh my God. I wonder how bad it is really getting over there. What's the death? Is it the kill capital of the world now? Murder capital? Let's find out. Memphis and Detroit still are the lead. Little Rock in Arizona. Chicago's not even on the top 5. All right. Let's see what else we got tonight, guys. Let's get into some normie searches, right? Let's see what the normies are looking up, and we'll get back to it. Before I do this, let's get back in the chat real quick. Bam. What are you guys talking about? What in the world, Ben? YouTube's definitely censoring me again. Yes, Ethereum is selling coins, and Ripple got sued for it. Is Ondo doing that with Robinhood? I think they are. I think you're right. I think they are. Well, they're doing 100 plus tokens. I don't know about Robinhood. Robinhood's definitely not tokenizing 100 plus assets. Maybe doing it on Solana. With what company was that? Was doing it? Was it Crypto.com? Crypto.com's tokenizing assets already. Coinbase is already starting to do it as well. They're definitely doing that. Ben Lawrence says, what happened to Jake the Snake and Brave Heart and Freedom? Brave Heart and Freedom has to work late tonight, he said. Oh my God. I'm missing all this stuff. What the hell? Nabs, run for office. You'll make more money. Oh my God. Excuse the French guys, says greased up Nebs guy. I didn't see it, so I'm good. I thought it was Robinhood, says Ben. Maybe it might be Robinhood. I know they have already gotten involved in that. I just wouldn't put that many tokens and Robinhood together. They've been, I think in all, Robinhood only really offers like maybe 30 tokens for crypto assets. How many tokens do you have? Are you serious, Ramona? Holy shit. Ramona coming with a $5 super chat of murder! Chicago's number one in murders per capita. Really? AI's fooled me. Freaking AI. Okay. Chicago, maybe it's just as of recently, right? As of this year. Murder capital 2025. It's by the size of the city, right? In comparison? I don't know how big Chicago is to Detroit, but okay. Trump calls Chicago murder capital after 58 shot over Labor Day weekend. Holy shit. I knew it was bad. I didn't know it was that bad. Jesus. We heard about, what was it, a school shooting was last week. There was, oh my, it's just every freaking day. Holy crap, guys. Make sure that you got a few pew-pews laying around, right? Got a few pew-pews laying around. Protect yourself, and especially if you live so close like I do to the city. They're going to be pushing all of the murders out. It's going to be a mass release when they roll on in. Anyway, yeah, crazy. Chicago has the most murders in any U.S. city for 13 consecutive years. Wow. So that's quoting Levitt, though. Caroline Levitt. Those numbers are a little skewed, but either way, it's probably, it's getting bad. It's getting bad. 13 years in a row, I believe. Yes, that's what I just read. Ramona coming in the $2 super chat for supporting the channel. Thank you, Ramona, for supporting the chaos tonight. Yes, 13 years in a row. That's what Levitt said. Yeah, I'm sure she got that from something somewhere. Damn, that's insane. Chicago's murder dropped mirrors on the big cities. Let's see if the normies are searching for it, shall we? Speaking of normie searches, let's get into that. All right. So today's number one search on record, guys, for the normies was Trump's announcement, which is partially what I just went over with him rolling into Chicago. He also did mention he's dissatisfied with, of course, Vladimir Putin and his a lack of participation in freedom and peace, right? And those peace agreements. I think he's moved down their deadline now. I don't know the exact date now, but Putin is now preoccupied with that summit in China. I believe him and we talked about this morning about how the BRICS leaders are all meeting together and all in good spirits talking at that event. All right, guys, what are the normies looking at today? Let's see what they're looking up. Of course, we grade them on a traditional grade scale, A through F, and traditionally they will search for three things, and that's, of course, sports, video games, and celebrities. Let's see what they're looking at today. Again, the big one, right off the gate, Trump announcement sitting at number one. I want to give them an F+ just for that alone. I think that's pretty significant. They're paying attention to at least politics and macro politics, too. Veronica Slokawaska, what the hell? Taylor Fritz, not Taylor Swift for once. Yes, Cory Booker, Yankees versus Astros, Candice Bergen, Dodgers versus, sports. Google's love their sports. Google stock, bam. Google stock, of course, pumping off of the news on not having to split off again, from Chrome. That is another decent one. We might give them a little bump up there for that as well. Powerball, September 1st. Of course, the normies want to win big with a jackpot sitting over $1 billion now. I think the largest on record. For anyone playing the lotto, you have a 1 in 300 million right off the bat. And if every person playing the lottery purchases 2 to 4 tickets, you're probably looking at a 1 in a billion chance to win the lotto. Good luck. Epstein Files. That's why we're in crypto, guys. We don't need to win the damn lottery. Roger Waters, Marvel Zombies. Let's freaking go. There's a Marvel Zombie trailer. Is it a movie? I hope so. I've been waiting for something like that for years. Space Command, Yahoo Fantasy Football, Dow Jones Stock Market, Cardi B, pregnant. Yeah, okay. Terrific. This brain rot, man. Brain rot. And more baby brain rot. Taylor Fritz girlfriend, Venezuela is in the news. Kinetic strike. Interesting. Not sure what's going on with that over there. I did hear that Afghanistan got hit with a natural disaster. I think it was an earthquake, right? And it hurt. It killed 1,000 people, and it injured over 3,000 already. They're reporting injuries, so it's pretty significant. I'm surprised it's not here on the top searches today. Nina Kraus, Bob Iger, ESPN Fantasy, of course, sports. Don't we love the sports? Jason Earls and Amazon Prime free shipping sharing. Really? Oh, jeez. They're trying to get normies to spend any way they possibly can. With Klarna in the big news and the big headlines today with Klarna this morning. They had a really great year so far with all that doom spending. I love it. I love the doom spending. Affirm and Klarna making record highs for the year. All right. What else we got in the chat, guys, before we get into Google Trends? Let's just rip the Band-Aid off and see where Google Trends are going into Bitcoin. And, of course, Ethereum and all the other coins we look up, trying to predict when the normies are getting in. Right now, we're looking at pretty low for Bitcoin searches on today, the first trading day of the year. It's sitting at 29. Let's look at the last 7 days to get a closer look. Yeah, it's pretty much flatline. 45. One of the lower days, one of the lowest we've had on record. 86 in the morning, of course, 6 a.m. Universal Time. Okay, what else we have here? Ethereum versus Doge versus Bitcoin versus XRP Solana. We got, of course, interesting. Yeah, we have a divide still. We're still holding on to this divide on Bitcoin, XRP, and Ethereum, with Solana and Doge starting to separate. You can kind of see that there. Starting to separate on the searches. That's interesting. We've been watching this pattern for about the last 3 months, I believe. I've been trying to find more indicators to show you guys that the normies are getting in. And I think this is a really good indicator because we're comparing all of the major L1s together, including Doge for a little bit of a wild card there for the normies. Yeah, overall, it looks like they're starting to pop up. I remember when we used to search, it was only Bitcoin. Then these four were down below, basically non-existent on search history. Now they're starting to trend upwards. So XRP still second in a second. Ethereum is still number 3, and Solana is still number 4. Just barely. On some days, not even overperforming Doge. Doge is a little higher. It might be because it's wrapped up in the Department of Government Efficiency, but I think that narrative's kind of already gone to the dogs. I guess. I did not intend on that. All right, I want to just check one more trend before we head out off of Google real quick. I want to check out just crypto in general, and maybe altcoins. I just want to check out crypto in general, see if they got any. No, it's pretty much dead. This is the past day. We had a little bit of a spike in the morning, it looks like, probably. Yep, 6 o'clock in the morning. In the past day, let's look at the last week. Yeah, I got a little bit of a peak right there on the today. But yeah, it wasn't since last Friday. I think last Friday, not even last Friday, probably last Thursday. We even mattered to look up crypto. And then I want to check altcoins real quick too. Altcoins. Yep. Okay. All right. Not enough of a search term. The past day, a little bit of a spike there. Last 7 days, 100 on the 30th, and then flat. Okay. It wouldn't let me search altcoins combined. That's weird. There we go. This is a little more realistic. I don't know why it wouldn't let me do that before. Past 30 days, pretty much going down. Look at that. Holy crap, that's dead. And the last 7 days, a little bit of action here, but not much. It's a bit of a mess, really. Anyway, in the last year, let's take a look at the last year. It's coming up a bit since August. Look at that. Explosive in the beginning of August. Anywhere near relevant now in September. Okay, so we're still waiting for the normies, guys. No, not quite there yet. But we are starting to see, again, a split off between those major L1s, like I mentioned. Let me get back to there real quick. I want to show you just kind of where we've been tracking this, how long. Let's just look at the last 12 months. You can see here, we've completely separated now. They are all on their own trends. Divided. Look at this Doge. Doge back in February because of all the Elon stuff that was happening. That narrative's dead. You can see it's very, very much over. It's over. And then we had Ethereum back when it finally got its case closed in July. That peaked there. And yeah, just a nice separate division here between all these assets. And Ethereum as well. Look at this. Ethereum went from nothing. Everyone thought this coin was basically dead and irrelevant to completely back in the spotlight again. So I do like where we're headed. I feel like we are getting closer to altcoin season, but still not quite there. But this is a good sign in my opinion. All right. Let me get back in the chat real quick, and then we're going to go see where Bitcoin's headed. Get to some Crypto Chaos. It's been, guys, it's been like 3 or 4 days since we did Crypto
your
Chaos.
former team at Twitter.
Yes, it's been a minute. It's been a minute. Bitcoin right now rolling on over. Rover, 111,000 rolling on down right now. The bulls are starting to pick back up a little bit of a little bit of steam on the way down. We'll see if we can hold 111 flat here in the next 5-10 minutes. We're about ready to approach 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is right now in Japan, I believe, right around 10:30, I believe. So they're already open, and this is where we get a sell-off. And again, we're playing yin and yang, right? So we pumped today, so they're going to dump today. By the time China and Germany wake up, one of those might proceed to continue this pump up to the upside, and they'll buy the dip from Japan. So that's the idea, right? That's the idea. Okay, so where are we at? With Bitcoin? Well, it did not want to break out from here. This is pretty much over now. We're breaking down as we speak. Can we hold 111,000? We'll have to wait and see. Right now, we're already a half hour in. It's about 4 minutes. And yeah, let me get back to the chat real quick, and then we'll get into some crypto chaos magic. And I'm ready to be wrong. It's been so weird, man. This last 3 weeks have been so off. Like, so off. We used to be on it every single day. We call it and be like, it's going to hit here, and it's going to go there, and it's going to be so predictable. And, yeah, we were on it, like, 100%. And, yeah, now we just, oh, my God, man. Every day it's like we're either pumping in the verge of a breakout or in the verge of a crash right on target with 9:30 p.m. Or 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. It's really interesting. We just broke 111 right now, sitting at the high nines. So we'll see if it can hold here any further. If not, we're going to go back down and retrace. Probably going to hit 110.5, and that is all she wrote. Okay, so again, waiting for this to play out so we have something to work with. It's hard to do a prediction on the verge of a breakout or breakdown. But yeah, that's what we're looking at here. Let's get back to the chat, catch up with you guys real quick, see what's up. Lotto or run for Congress? What the hell? Oh my God, Jacob Snake is in the chat. How's it going? He's free from this fiat slavery. Jesus. Miller Mountain says, "What's good, Otaku?" Zebek? I don't even know. Miria? I think Miria is the only thing in the green right now. It is. It really is. Look at that, guys. 307. Damn, how the mighty have fallen. Right before we did the live, it was already up about a percent. It looks like it's trying to go back to that percent to keep those gains. But yeah, it's having a hard time like everything else right now. What else are we looking at? Everything in the red. Everything. Oh, yeah. Okay, so, yes, the King of Ohio is free of his obligations. Strawberry Dragon says, but Chicago doesn't need federal help because there's no crime in the city. Oh, my God. Yes. Oh, man. Yeah, cue Genie leaving the lamp animation. Jake the Snake has left. Yeah, Jake the Snake, your chariot awaits, Jake. Thank you, good sir. Thank you. Jake is out of prison. I am still in prison, says Strawberry. How are you still working, Strawberry? Don't you start working when we start working in the morning? What? Oh my gosh. As I remind you, your job is at risk. Ben Lawrence says, yeah, this way your flatulency. Oh my God. Yes, I paid my dues. The Nigerians demanded a hefty ransom, and the Jake the Snake paid it. Lotto on the run for Congress. What? Lotto or run for Congress? I don't know. I'll run for Congress, says Ben. Better odds. Yeah, there are better odds. I guess, yeah, if you want to get in and then do some insider trading, is that what you're pertaining to? Yeah, I guess you could do that. Yes. Run for Congress, Ben, says Strawberry Dragons. Oh my God. Yes, being in crypto has squashed any desire to gamble or buy any kind of lottery tickets, says Colin. He knows what's up. 100%.
I'd buy that
100%.
for $1.
Yeah, screw that lottery ticket. Buy some crypto instead. Ben Lawrence says we need to elevate the need to educate the decrypts. Can I get an amen? Amen, sir. Amen, good sir. fellow aristocrats, rejoice. My God. I am running SD. Twitter is censoring me. Yeah, Strawberry Dragon. They were censoring me earlier. I couldn't even show you guys Vitalik's documentary on Vitalik and Ethereum Foundation. It was actually a really good one, guys. I really recommend you guys watch that, especially if you're new to our space. There's a lot of good knowledge in there you could get from that, and a lot of maybe some hopium in there too. All right, anyway, Ben Lawrence says, I've elected, I will sign an executive order not to allowing women to refuse to date based on their height. It's very important. Yes, very important. I'm glad you're gonna change that, Ben. Ben runs the Crunchy Queso Socks platform. Very compelling. Oh my God, men's Crunchy Queso Socks. Yes, gotta correct that. Yes, I will reform OSHA to have height requirements signs outside of the factories, says Ben. Oh my God. How about just the you are too tall or to enter signs as well for people who are short. Jesus. Ben Lawrence says, we will force the Foot Locker to stop discriminating against smaller feet. You should have a dignity when buying shoes. No more Foot Locker Jr. What the hell? Oh my God. Mom, can I have shoe inserts back? Oh my God, Ben, you have a problem with feet. You have some. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. But speaking of feet, I gotta share this. Jake the Snake over on Twitter shared something with me. Let me see if I can pull that up. I forgot to share it today. Jesus. Jake, you crazy bastard. He shared this with me. Alright, where is it? It's in my feed somewhere. It has something to do with XRP too. All this XRP talking today. Where the hell did that thing go? Did it like censor me? I think it censored me. I think it did. What the hell, Elon? You're not supposed to censor anyone. Oh man. Well. Oh, there it is. There it is. OnlyFans girls holding XRP and discussing. Yeah.
Okay. Investing. Don't know what to do, what it is, but I need help. I need help. Okay, so I would recommend, so me personally, I have 1.3 million in XRP. So right now it's about $2 and something cents, but the community knows that when I know it will bump up to $10, I'm going to be basically set for life. So I would highly recommend buying XRP. Why are you crying?
What the hell did you just say?
XRP.
I couldn't even understand what X could even stand for.
It doesn't stand for anything. It's just like, XRP doesn't stand for anything like explicitly. It's just like
I'm screwed. Crypto men come this way. Help me.
Just put money into XRP and then you're set for life.
Put my money in it.
Or just spend it all, whatever you want to do.
Well, will the IRS come after me if I, they won't come after me if I do that?
You haven't paid taxes in 2 years, so they're going to come after you anyway.
Not if I had my money in this XPR stuff. Right?
Yeah, you're right. Just do that.
Need help.
Yeah, so that was a good one, Jake. I'm glad you shared that with me. OnlyFans, yes. So same place. Ben gets his socks off. Oh my God, it's so stupid, guys. All right. But yes, my God, I feel like some of the ladies in the chat could help these two. Holy crap! Both sides of that debate. I was just screaming inside. Oh my God. Yes. Jeez. Binance manipulation, fake chaos, says Jake the Snake. Markets are a little haunted house, or like a haunted house. Spooky. The charts definitely look like the funny mirrors, says Ben. Yes, just sell socks. You make more, says Ben. Oh my God. Well, if you're the Fububu or whatever, Baba, that sock company, they're selling like $40 pairs of socks. Yeah, there's more money in socks there. Miria is super doggy water, says Grease Up Nebs guy. Oh my God, it is. It's this doggy water. Yeah, I only bought one lotto ticket, says Cody. Okay. Well, good luck to you, my man. We wish you the best of luck. Yes, in your normie crusade of the lottery. Oh my God. Good for you, Cody, donating to the state. Oh my God. Oh my God, Jake.
I'd buy that for $1.
Of course, he welcome donation. He welcomes donations in the state of Ohio specifically as well. All right. If I win, we all win. Trust me, says Cody. Yeah, he's right. He's right. He'll buy more of our favorite coins. XRP is cooked, says Jake. XRP and ZBAC to $1. That's good for one and not the other. But okay. Stupid Miami girls, says Lawrence. Oh my God. Yes. A smarty. That's my sister, bro. No, shut up, Nebs. No way. I never met her. She doesn't come around the house, I guess. I don't know. What the hell? Yeah, Jacob Six says, I saw that and thought that the guy who heard his shoe shine boys talking stock tips in 1928. Oh my God. Not if I put my money in the XPR stuff. XPR, yeah. Yes. Dumb as a doorknob, says Nebs. Funny how she said XPR, yeah. It is funny how she said XPR. It's probably going to pump XPR now. Yeah, those two assets are depreciating. Let's see them in 5 years. Haha, she said XPR. Yeah. She could suck the brass off a doorknob. Oh my God. Holy hell, guys. Oh my God. AI is not listening to me anymore. I need to be replaced. Help, says Strawberry. Oh no. Jeez. You're trying to get replaced. I encourage you to maybe not do that. It's coming faster than you think. Yes, Nebs, you guys are the best, says Cody. 100%. Grease Up Nebs guy says she couldn't suck shit. Oh my God. All those girls top 9 to 10 lame. They can't do anything but sit there and look pretty. Oh boy, Nebs. I'm gonna get banned. Oh, I'm gonna get banned. Those chicks are the owners of Useless. Holy shit, Nebs. You guys are brutal tonight. Holy crap. It's okay, Nebs. It's okay. Smartest XRP maxi there is out there. 100%, Jake. 100%. All right. And then there's that. There's that random brain rot that just scrolled on my screen. Okay, let's go. All right, guys, so let's get back into it. Where is Bitcoin headed? It looks like we want to hold 111. The bulls have not given it up yet. We're still holding it up. I hate this, guys. Every time this happens, I get stuck here for another hour. Jeez. I'm telling you, I feel it. I tell you, days like today, I feel it starting. Like, it's not here yet. Definitely not here yet. But points of capitulation, like right now, where we're stuck in a crucial zone at right around 9 o'clock. This is the third or fourth time this has happened in a matter of a month. Yeah, we're literally sitting and watching paint dry. This reminds me of 2021. I did many moons, many nights of watching paint dry with this chart. I've been in Bitcoin's chart now for over 5 years. It's ridiculous, guys. Ridiculous. Let me show you. While we're waiting for paint to dry, let me show you some of the crazy stuff I have accumulated on this chart over the last 5 years. I could probably clean some of this up too. Our Stairway to Heaven is taking a little longer to play out. How about 2 months longer to play out? Holy shit. Yeah, let's clean this chart up. Holy crap. All right, what do we got? Let's dive into some of my old patterns and pins and. Is it time for pie? Cliff? Moon pies. It's coming, man. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, it's gonna be fine, guys. Yes, it's gonna be fine. I'll just remind you, it's gonna be okay. Jesus.
So just chill out.
Yes.
Drink
Yes.
7 Up. Quit murdering people.
Oh God, it's coming, guys. It's just taking 6 more months than we were hoping. Oh God. Okay. I don't like the sailor outfit, but the outfit loves me, says Nebs. Oh God, no, not again. You're ruining my waifus. Nebs, I told you, no more sailor outfits at home. No more. I don't want to see it. God. Yeah, I bring the product to the market. I provide a service, damn it. Yes, we know. You work the streets. Yeah. And whoever enjoys your services, enjoy your services. It's fine. God. Yes. Nebs does what OF don't. OnlyFans don't. Oh my God. That's a really good business model, actually. Yeah, it's a really good motto. Nebs does what OF don't. OnlyFans don't. Nabs looks better in a sailor outfit. Oh God, Ben, you're the one. It's your fault. You're the one who's encouraging our brother to wear a freaking sailor outfit. Oh God, I mean, men can wear sailor outfits too. They don't have to wear skirts. Nebs, every time you put on a sailor outfit, it doesn't have to be one with a skirt. Okay. Yes, Lawrence, you work the streets. Yeah. He works the streets. Yeah, we've been down this rabbit hole before. Oh, yes. Neb's alias is Mr. Hands. Mr. Hands. Well, I guess that works because you don't have any hands left. Jake, oh my God. The hand man. Oh my God, you guys are terrible. Holy shit. Oh, it's too much. Oh, jeez. All right. I can't get my composure back. Oh my God. Holy shit. Extra clammy. Holy crap. Oh, you guys are too much. All right. I gotta get my. Oh man, you guys are terrible. Oh, I can't stop laughing. All right. Woo. All right. I'm gonna try to regain composure. All right. Yes, I'm gonna try not to look at the chat for a minute because I'm gonna die. Okay, so what are we looking at here? I'm not sure what the hell happened to my chart. There we go. What am I in? I'm in Miria. I'm like, that doesn't look like Bitcoin. That's Miria. All right, I want to show you guys, some of the charts, the charting I've been doing on Bitcoin over the last 5 years. Just in case you're feeling a little bearish, feeling like the market's never going to happen. We're not going to eat that banana. It's never going to come. Oh man. All right. So let's clean up the charts a little bit while we're waiting for paint to dry. We do have a ton of predictions on the board still. Again, we're all caught up now for Bitcoin predictions. I got to put these back where they belong. These go in the community all-time high predictions. Right, we're going to hide these. These should be, yes, we got them all. Nice, we got them all. I'm going to delete some of this, clean this up. This right here, I believe, that is the date in which Grok, I believes it's going to go to 400,000. Grok 4.0 heavy, something like that. I think that's that date there. Okay, anyway, so let's clean this up. I'm gonna get rid of these two. These 140, they happen when they happen. 120. Let's just clean the chart up. My God, it's been a mess. Oh my God. And then yeah, are we ever gonna get back on the the trail of gold? It's more like the trail of tears now. Let's clean that up as well. We were calling for that back in June, July. Didn't play out. We were on that shelf for like, oh my God, it was like 2 or 3 weeks and then fell off. Never came back. But we're still on a bullish trajectory either way. All right, okay, this looks better. All right, so what I'm looking at right here, we're trying to show you guys, these are the all-time highs for the previous cycles, right? I have them all pointed to that direction, and of course, this would be potentially the new all-time high for this cycle if this plays out. Somewhere between $200,000 and $300,000 Bitcoin, and more than likely would happen in November if again this was going to play out like a normal cycle. I drew all this many years ago, probably like 2023 or 4, maybe, when I put that one there for this cycle, when I decided it was going to be November. Last cycle it was November, the cycle before that it was December, and the one before that I believe was October or November. I don't remember. I did not participate in 2013 cycle. Anyway, so the 4-year cycles are all marked here, and the average appreciation rate you can see is coming down, right? So we're probably going to only see a 300% between 2021 and 2025. Again, if we continue this, decreased appreciation rate over time with Bitcoin. Okay, so this is, again, this is the macro stuff I've mapped forever. We already broke the larger macro trend, which is amazing. I'm happy to see that. That was when we broke over 100,000. So this one's completely negated now. I still have it locked, so I guess I can leave it there. But we destroyed that one earlier this year. That happened back in last year, 2024. Wow, that happened in 2024. All right, what other fun stuff I have to show you while I'm waiting for paint to dry? I got a lot. I got so many, guys. Let's hide the banana. Let's just get that banana out of here. All right, let's delete all this stuff too. What the hell even is all this? These are probably the lows right now. I can always redraw those. That's fine. I gotta clean up my chart, man. This is getting a mess. There's a brush there. I don't know what that is. Let's get rid of it. All these brushes here, I don't know what they are. We're going to get rid of those. We're cleaning up the chart tonight, guys. What is this? Current drawings. That's banana. It's just banana. All right, let's just hide the banana. And these trend lines can go away as well. What are these? I don't know what these are. Oh, no, I don't want to get rid of those. Those are my macro trend lines. Okay, that's fine. It's pretty much on target anyway. All right, so I want to show you guys some of these. These are my event pins. That's right. I've been watching all of the events in the entire bear market. I've marked pretty much everything I've experienced up until most recent years, right? So it's pretty insane. It's pretty crazy. I even marked when I first heard about Bitcoin and everything else. It's kind of like my little Bitcoin diary on this chart. I've lived in here for 5 years. But yeah, crypto lender Celsius collapse. Oh no, that was when Celsius collapsed. Terra Luna collapsed. Oh no. And you can see how all those coins back then, with those collapses, affected Bitcoin's price back in the last cycle. So you can definitely tell how more volatile it was last cycle compared to this cycle. We've had tons of coins crash and burn. There's more coins than ever before. It doesn't really affect Bitcoin at all in the day-to-day. So yeah, global banks begin to collapse. Remember the bank collapse? Yeah, that was the beginning of Bitcoin's run. We started running from there in March of 2023 to where we are now. We never stopped in the grand scheme of things when you zoom out. Again, that's why I tell you guys, just chill out, right? Just like Officer Grady. Is it Officer Grady? Just chill out. Eat a moon pie. Drink a 7-Up. Quit funding the market. USA debt limit increases. They increased the debt limit, so that got us a little bit of FUD out off the table. We bumped up from there. All this, of course, there's so much stuff to cover, guys. So much stuff to cover on here. Spot ETFs were approved here. Of course, we saw a 2-week delayed reaction to a 66% breakout to the upside. That was impressive. And, of course, the history is as it is there. I'm sure you guys have seen most of this stuff happen in recent years, right? 2024 Bitcoin halving began there. Actually had a sell-off by the rumor sell the news event, took place there. We saw that drawdown, had a fake out, draw down further. Trump announced plans for the strategic Bitcoin reserve. We got news on that and fell as well from there. And then on that, USA Donald Trump wins the 2024 election, and then it was off to the races. We did not come back down to the previous all-time high from last year, and we probably never will, unless we have a Black Swan event like a World War III like scenario. And again, this has also played out again in the past as well. Never returned to the previous all-time high from 2017 as well. Really close. You kind of say maybe we kind of did. We kind of filled it a little bit there, but yeah, not really. And it was like a day or two, a week, 2 weeks. All right, so yeah, that's the idea, guys. So hopefully you guys are not fudding right now. GameStop buys Bitcoin. We dumped on that news as well. Steak and Shake accepts Bitcoin. We dumped on that as well. So we're gonna continue this shakeout until everyone whose weak hands are out of Bitcoin. And look at this. I mean, if you look at this like any other pattern, it looks like it's just going to go through this, bull flag like scenario to a breakout. This would be into next year. This would be summer of 2026 if we're going to play that flag out. So again, still bullish. Still not even hitting the fire sale. This sends us down to $96,000 Bitcoin, and then we come back up to hold 106. Again, that's not going to play out like that. We're going to get some crazy news on the strategic Bitcoin reserve and all that stuff soon as well. All right, what else we have I can show you guys while waiting for paint to dry? Let's take a look at we're coming back up a little bit. It's still not verifying. We need to verify a breakout. Come on, let's smash through these highs. We're still looking right around. Let me take a look and show you guys on the book map here. Zoom in here. We're still looking right around 107.5, 108 to 110 and 111 bouncing off 11.5. That is where the bears are sticking up. They're setting up shop. It's getting greener in there, but it's definitely not as strong as our buy zone down here. So there's definitely a lot more longs in the market than shorts. And guys, if we do liquidate the markets, I think we're up to like 18 billion or 20 billion dollars get liquidated right around $20,000 Bitcoin. So that would be pretty glorious to get wrecked up here, right? At 120,000. Yeah, it could happen. It could happen as soon as tomorrow. But a lot of FUD. A lot of FUD. We were calling for a $112,000 breakout tonight. We were talking about that this morning. Will we get it? Will we get it? I don't know. What else can I show you guys while we're waiting for paint to dry? I got predictions on here. These are always fun to show you guys. It's been a while since I showed you. So I've got JP Morgan's original prediction for $120,000 Bitcoin. They put that up in 2024. And here we are. We already hit it, obviously, in 2025. So that's already done. Citibank predicts a $318,000 Bitcoin this year. So that could happen as well. It's in the cards at least. I'm not saying it's going to happen. Arthur Hayes originally calls for a $1 million Bitcoin by next year. We're on target for that as well. If you believe in an extended cycle, possibly coming this cycle into 2026. If the narratives for these tariffs push into next year, it's probably more likely going to happen. A million though, I don't know. I'm not calling for a million next year. If that does happen, though, I'll be surprised. 2.4 million by ARK Invest, calling for 2.4 million in 2030. That's of course Kathy Wood's legendary prediction. That's her bull case scenario. Her original target was 1.2 million by 2030. So somewhere between 1 million and 2.4 is more than likely going to happen around 2030. And then we keep scrolling and scrolling. I put these yellow ones in there to fill the void. So we get to the big one at Fidelity. Fidelity is calling for a 200, and by 2038, Fidelity is calling for a $1 billion Bitcoin. I'm not making this up. You can look it up yourself. In this scenario, they are calling for a $1 billion Bitcoin on the odds of a hyperinflation hitting the United States dollar and a collapse of the U.S. dollar. So those are the scenarios we have on the table. Let's get back to where we actually are now. And once you scroll out that far, you don't even it just looks like 2017, right? The more we keep going up and up and up and up and up, you'll forget all about all this back here and where we are today. This is the HODL way, guys. This is the HODL way. Okay, what else do I have on here to show you guys? We're waiting for paint to dry. I showed you guys my event pins, which is insane. The cone price. Oh yeah, the cone price. Forgot about that. I made that one too back in 2021, looking for potential breakout to $1 million, and the destination 2025. If we follow this line here, we will hit $200,000 to $250,000 Bitcoin. Yeah, I did some fun stuff with the charts back in the day when I was bored watching paint dry in 2021, 2022. What else do I have here? I have, I love this one. Gold ETF versus Bitcoin. Since the launch. I think I gotta go closer for that, maybe? Where do I have that? There it is. So that is the gold ETF once it was launched. I placed this on the exact date that ETF would break out, and it's still playing out. Look at that. It's still playing out. It's insane. I love it. And it's just slightly lower. We did touch it a few times, but it's slightly lower. 136, 120, 115, whatever. And look at this pattern too. It's insane. It's almost like it's on par. It's like we're going to see a huge breakout here soon, according to the gold ETFs when they were launched. And that was back in 2010, 12. I can show you guys on the gold chart, but I took that directly from the gold chart. I just placed it on here. It's been pretty interesting, to say the least. I'll tell you that. All right, what else I have on here? So many fun toys on my chart. What's this one? 2021 bull run on top of 2025. Yeah, that's a little off now. It must have got dragged around or something. So that would have played out something more like here, maybe? Something like, oh God, what a mess. That's literally just copying, pasting, and putting it in place. But yeah, something like that. That would basically mean that next month's going to be the top somewhere. If we're going to follow the exact same scenario from this play out, which this is a mess. I'm not even going to I'm going to completely invalidate that now. Can I not remove that? There we go. All right, guys. So those are my fun toys on my charts. I got the macro tops. I got the halvings. I got everything fun here I've been tracking over the years. Let's clean this up and get back to it. Okay. Let's zoom on in. Let's get rid of that. Yeah. Okay. Oh, I guess I can keep that one on there. Nah, that's yeah. It's obvious. That's 2021. Okay. Let's get back in. Zoom on in. Back in 15 minute. And see what's going on with price action. It's getting tight again. Tight. It's going there. It's going there, guys. Bam. Oh my god, if I can hit the right button. Go. Tight. Oh, jeez. Okay. What else we got in the chat? Let me catch up with you guys now that I'm done going through history. Bitcoin's sitting right now at 111 flats, 111.1. Climbing up just a little bit. Got a tiny bit of resistance there in that pocket. Let's see if we can break back up or get shot back down. Oh my god, yes. I did lose it. I had to distract myself with the charts for a minute. I got totally lost in that chat. Oh my god, yes, Lawrence. What I walk into, I leave and come back and the therapy office is on fire. Yeah, it was bad. It was really bad. Gamma. I could not stop laughing about that. The patients are running in the house. Oh no. Yep, we're running the nut house.
I'd buy that for $1.
We're not only running the nut house. You know, we're also running. I don't think he's here anymore. I can't do it. Never mind. Maybe I'll wait for another opportunity. Yes. GG Therapy and Otaku. Yeah, yes, Cliff. The patients are the customers. They should run the asylum. Yes, exactly. It's just volunteering. It's just good volunteering, and we're just trying to be good Samaritans and take our pills. Jeez. Where's Mom? I don't know, Gamma, but it's definitely getting raunchy without Mom here. Indeed, Gamma. Yes, Ben. When Ben Schiller starts making sense, I know I'm in too deep, says Jake. Oh my god. Yes, 100% there, Cliff and Jake. Yes, where's Helmo? Helmo is sitting right next to me. Right next to the fire. He's safe. And he's definitely not paying attention to the session happening tonight. Yes, November 2025 is looking, like a target. Looking like a good target. Mother has a date with some guy named John. Again? How many Johns is she going to go out with? Alt season September, let it be, says Jake. They are all named John. I noticed. I have noticed. Even though I am locked in the basement, guys, I hear things. I still hear things. Especially in Neb's room, man. I don't want to hear those things anymore. God. Nebs, you got to leave the house, man. Tell Ramona she's got to kick you out. Oh my god. Yeah, you don't have a Shuna story in the chart. Shuna? What are we talking about? Shuna. I have shit Luna. Shuna is the only thing I can think of that rhymes with Luna. Shuna. You don't have the day you profess your internal love and fealty to the Ohio on the chart either. And you're right. I do not have the day that I pledged loyalty to the King of Ohio. That's right, Jake the Snake, the King of Ohio. Long live the King. And my lights. Oh my god. And my lights. Where are my lights? Speaking of lights, where are my likes? Guys, gotta get these likes up. I need to shill harder. Long live the king, and he demands it. Then I shill harder, please. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe before you leave tonight. We're so close to 1,000, guys. So close. Shuna no longer in Pretty Chew. That is huge. I don't know what in the world you were talking about, Ben. I have no idea what you're talking about. Imagine the value of stocks if Bitcoin goes to 1 million. Oh my god. Yes. And we're crazy, says Ben. Yes, it's going to be nuts. You're going to have like $100 pairs of socks. Yeah. Who hasn't smashed that like yet, says Cody. 100%. Yeah, don't forget to hit that like, guys. Show us your Japanese idol collection. You really want to see it? You really want to see it? I can show you, I guess. My god. Oh my god, guys.
What are you, stupid?
Oh, jeez. No, my bong is right here with me, says Greased Up Neb's guy. Which bong are you talking about? Mom is gone, so Neb is bong. So is Neb's bong. Weird how that happens. Braveheart McFreedom, yes, the slippery one. 100% the slippery one. You don't have him working at McFreedom's now, do you? He's scaring the customers away. God, he's a slippery one. She tried, but I cried my way back in. She took pity on me because of the physical touch enthusiast worker situation. What? Oh, yeah, you're talking about the Mr. Handman. Yeah. God damn it. That profession is quite interesting, my man. Yes, right now, says Ben. Brave Heart McFreedom says he brings some customers to McFreedom's. Oh, yes. Well, I got a treat for you guys tonight. For anyone still watching paint dry with us, we're still hanging out at 111.17. Still cannot decide whether we want to pump or dump yet. We are in the midst of a breakout or a breakdown. And right now it's looking like more like a breakdown as the foreign markets are starting to take some profits after we did just pump about 3% today. Almost. Yeah, just about. Yeah, about 3% today. They already started to dump in the pre-market, and right now they already dumped at the market opened. And here we are. We're just waiting for recovery or a breakdown. And yeah. Well, I guess while we're here, I guess we could... Trump and dump, says Brave Army Freedom. That was World Liberty Financial. That's kind of over. Idols, says Ben. He wants to see some idols. Oh boy. Well, I've got a whole bunch. Some of you guys the other night were saying that Asuka would have been a good waifu, and I'm like, not really a big fan of getting bullied, but I do appreciate Ashley. She does a great job with the voice acting of Asuka. And of course supports the show. I love it. But one of my favorite Japanese idols is, of course, Rei Ayanami. This is coming straight out of the arcade. That's right. Let's see if I can get over there real quick. Probably not. I think I killed that a while ago. That camera. Oh, I guess it's over there. Yeah. There's the arcade. All right, so yeah, I got 2 levels to the arcade. Actually, I don't have a camera on the second level yet, but yeah, it's a double-decker arcade. Oh my God, this is crazy. But yeah, I got a lot of idols. In the arcade, I also have a Bitcoin Chan in there, holding a Bitcoin. That's the only thing gold in the picture there, in the camera. And Sakura, don't forget Sakura Chan from Street Fighter. Yep. Yep. Playing Street Fighter in the corner over there. And of course, you guys are getting a window into Otaku's waifu collection. Oh my God. I have more. I have a lot more, actually. Just not in 1/6 scale. Oh, Jesus. Oh, man. Yes, Idol, says Cody. Oh my God. And of course, the biggest one of all, the king or queen, depending on what Godzilla you're watching. Godzilla, of course. Don't forget Godzilla, guys. All right, Cody Bakula coming in with another life. We needed it, man. Oh, it's been a minute. Thank you, my man, for the $2 super chat and giving up another extra life for the channel. We needed it, man. I'm sweating, man. What the hell's happening? Bitcoin is, trying to climb back to 111.5. We're almost there. Back up to almost 104 right now. Can we make it? Yeah, it's starting to wick. These are 15-minute candles, man. That's another half hour until maybe a breakout. Oh, man. Oh, we're hitting 10 o'clock now, guys. 10 o'clock. Jake the Snake says, you are truly the world's nicest supervillain. Anti-hero. Anti-hero. Come on, Jake. Come on. Yes, he brings some customers. The idols. I showed off the idols. Yes, the idols have been shown. I do have... Ben Lawrence says, Otaku's lair is full of beautiful women. Full of beautiful plastic women. Oh my God. Oh, jeez, guys. You guys are something else. I also have, of course, some Gundam girls on that side of the room. I'm a huge mecha, otaku. And we got something good. Looks like we got a coin that just broke down or up. Let's see. That's my what the fuck meter. That is WTF bomb. WTF bomb on Gary. Let's see what's going on with Gary. I just took it off the chart last night. Let's get rid of this. Let's throw a little bit of that. Coins are starting to move up right now, as they've been down now for the last half hour. Gary, let's see if Gary's moving to the upside now. Let's see, Kraken. Sure, why not? Gary over on Kraken. Oh, down. Yes, it's going down to Pound Town again. Gary sitting at 2047. I want a better chart than this. This is a mess. God, what a mess. Gory. Kraken. Get out of here, Kraken. How about, I guess that's just the Gory network on... Yeah, there we go. Trading View. Yeah, it's a nice, better chart. Better looking chart. All right. Ooh, flash, crash. To the downside. Let's go. We're waiting for Bitcoin, and here comes Gory. Let's go. Send it. Oh, and then, speaking of Ray, there's Ray. All right. So yeah, Gary's coming down to Pound Town, testing 2045 currently. Will it hold 2046? 2047 won't retrace back to 2048. It's really not that. It's really nothing. Really nothing. Guys, and for those just participating and don't know what the hell Gary is, Gary's a social media platform that's been touted over on YouTube by tons of bots over the last 3 years in the bear market that I participated in. Recently has had a bit of a resurgence in I guess interest over the last year or so, as it's a social media platform over in India, and I still don't think it's the right time for this sort of play, but with the coin down that much, basically sitting at the lows, it is a good time to invest either way. I threw about $500 or $600. I bought 100,000 of it back when we were probably at 206, 2059, something like that. Yep, somewhere right here. This was back at the end of last week. We had, I think it was our last Friday live session, not the last one, but the one before that. I was drunk and I threw like $500 or $600 into Gary, and here we are. Not a bad time if you want to buy 100,000. It's only $460 for 100,000 tokens. You can get to a dollar, guys. You can get to $1. No, but if it does get to the previous all-time high, it's still a decent chunk of change. I mean, you're looking at a 281% increase to get to the previous highs from the beginning of this year. Back, no, not even beginning of this year. This is the August breakout, right? I'm on the 15-minute. Okay, let's get back a little further. Here we go. There we go. A little further here. This was the beginning of the year. Where the hell is the beginning of the year? I guess it's right here, right there. It wasn't even as high as the August breakout. So not a bad time to buy, guys. It's basically sitting at the new bottom. It really is. If you believe in this project in the long term, I have a throwaway bag. I don't care. But if it does get close to a dollar, I did the moon math one day. I also did the moon math with USD and comparing it to US traded companies and, of course, crypto versus an unknown that I'm not very good at, and that is an Indian-based market cap and crypto asset. And if it gets to $1 billion, what'd I say, guys? $1 billion. I don't know if it's going to get $1 billion in India, though. They just don't have as much money as we do. Oh, God. Let me get back in here real quick and see what you guys are saying. Anti means the opposite, and let you say here, anti-hero, not a villain. Jake the Snake, you don't read enough comic book heroes, my guy. You don't read enough comic books, my man. Anti-hero. Yes, anti-hero is basically being a hero in the most unconventional way, right? Like the Punisher, being a vigilante, right? Batman's kind of an anti-hero, although he doesn't kill people, which makes him more of a hero. And then DC is also kind of weird with their Justice League and what pertains to a hero and the spotlight and all that weird stuff. But anyway, traditional heroes, yes, like anti-hero is like the Punisher or like Deadpool or like, you mean well, but you're just not doing things with the mask and a cape and, saving lives and kissing babies and all that stuff. You may be just saving lives in your own way, but just not kissing the babies. All right, the way I do it, of course, is burning money. I burn all the money so I can, of course, save America. It's probably never going to work, but I try every single day. All right, all those Gary holders or chase those green candles are getting red dildos right about now, says Jake. 100%, Jake. Yes. The eggplants in the chat. Gary on the Tower of Terror. Yes, Lawrence, the Tower of Terror. That goes down. Only goes down. No, not a bad place to buy. 204. If you believe in this project or just want to make some money and got some cash to blow, I'm gambling. I told you my gamble story. I was drunk one night and I bought some, and I gotta deal with it. That's what happens, guys. India can't be world power until they are selling used socks in vending machines, says Ben. Just like the Japanese. Oh, God. That's how the Japanese got to, the fourth largest market cap, our country by GDP. Yeah. India can't be world power, yes, until they saw vending machine socks. Used ones, particularly used ones. Cody says, I got a small chunk I'll hold on to. No worries. Exactly, Cody. Exactly. Don't bet the farm, though. Don't bet the farm. I like woke men. What? Ben, what? What? I like woke man? What? I out people on social media and accuse them of being normal. What the hell? That's funny. Okay, Make Take a Six says, it's okay, Cody. That's how I feel about XCN as well. Oh, man, I got way too much in XCN, to be honest. Look at this thing. Oh, my God. Let's see if this is even coming close to playing out like we spoke about earlier. It's almost there. It almost played out in the exact way I mentioned, right? This is, of course, an inverted head and shoulder. It got really tight at the beginning of our live stream, and it still needs to get up there and at least retest 0112. It's not that far away. It's only, it's still 5% to the upside, though. Damn. We'll have to wait and see. We're watching a lot of paint dry tonight, guys. Bitcoin's still coming back to retest 111 flat. Are we going to break down yet? Come on. Come on. Some of us need to go to work tomorrow. Some of us need to sleep for the market open tomorrow as well. Oh, man. I demand blood. I demand blood. Just send it down to Elmo. Let's see. How is Elmo feeling today? How is Elmo doing? I think he's doing okay. It looked like he was ready for it. He was ready to get fed. Oh my God. What is going on? Yes, I like my own work, says Ben. Gamma says, I hope so. You're typing right now. What? I'm typing. Cody Bakula, Helmo help! Helmo help! Oh jeez. Guys, Helmo's coming. God. The therapy is now in session again, guys. Our therapist, of course, is Helmo. He's on the sidelines there. Oh my God. Yes, Helmo. He's on the scene. Right. So Ben Lawrence says, I am woke, man. What the hell, Ben? Oh, jeez. Okay, well, I don't know, guys. They're just not giving it to us today. We might just be going sideways all night. This is what happened last time. Last time I stood up here till about midnight. It was the longest live stream we ever did. And there'll be nights where we do 24-hour live streams, but definitely not nights like these. We need real volatility. We need 2021-like volatility. I want to see Jasmine go to like 10 cents and then fall down to like 5 or 6. Like, I want to see some serious shit. What is this? This is a bull run for ants, man. This whole year has just been it's been so lackluster. Oh man. But if it's your first run, I would definitely hold on to your saddle. Hold on to the saddle, because we might be going into next year. Every day I look forward and I'm just like, man, we're already into the beginning of September. Oh my God, we're gonna do nothing. We're gonna do nothing. It's gonna have to play out into September. Getting all of this positive news every single day. We're talking about treasury companies. Dogecoin has like 3 treasury companies now. We just talked about that today. Oh my God, it's ridiculous. But yet no number go up. No number go up. XCN looks like it's doing a little bit to the upside, trying to break out and up to here to reach that 1 cent. It's getting shot down right now as soon as I talk about it. Damn it. What else we got that's glowing green here? Moonwell. It's up like 0.1%. Miria up 1% now. It's looking tight too. Miria's at the bottom as well. Looking like Gari's chart, right? It's not as low as Gari on the grand scheme of things. It's still up a little bit, but from its bottom, but still sitting at the lows. I did buy some more Miria. It was like 2 or 3 weeks ago. Somewhere like right around here, 2009, something like that. Here we are, 2078. Opportunity of a lifetime, possibly, for those out there. Not financial advice, just telling it like it is. Sui up a third of a percent now as well. There's coins moving. We should clean this chart up as well. Oh, man. So much of a mess on these charts. Alright. Alright. That already played out a long time ago. Oh, God. Okay. That's much better. Much better. Alright. So, yeah, we got Sui still moving. What else is still moving? Say, still up a tiny bit. It's up 0.3%. Solana's up almost a full percent now. Still in a bull trend. Yeah, still in a bull trend to the upside. This has been going on now since July. Holy crap. It just keeps running. Alt season soon. Man, we get a breakout. Come on, let's go. Yeah, still following our target. Our target to what, like $500? Yeah, like $500, $490, something like that, by the end of the year, somewhere in like November, October. That's the idea. I threw that on the chart back in like June, July. Yep, that was the idea. It's still playing out. Leaving it there. Avalanche not doing anything. ADA's up 0.1%. Still in the bull trend as well. We got Link not doing anything. Still looking bullish though. Most of these coins look the same. There's gold. Gold's still sitting up there on all-time highs. It's coming back down, almost down to the previous high. It's got about 10 or 20 bucks to hit that. Still seeing all-time highs for gold. That breakout happened today. I can clean this chart up as well. Oh my gosh, I make a mess of it. I just leave it. Okay. What else we got here? The DXY, the Dixie, still coming up a little bit. And this is, of course, after hours, but the futures are trading right now. Dixie is still looked at as a risk asset, right? A risk-off asset. So could probably see another leg back to maybe a 98.9. I don't know if we're going to get that 99, though. We haven't been back to 99 since July, the end of July. Okay, what are we looking at? Hopefully this stops. I mean, when are people going to learn? You can't store value in the U.S. dollar. The U.S. Treasury is producing like 3-5%. I don't care if it even produces 12% yield. You're still barely able to even outperform, or even you're not really outperforming the inflation on those dollars. Okay, what else are we looking at here? Solana, I think that was it. I think it's all the stuff that's in the green right now. World Liberty Financial coming back a little bit, touching 23 cents. Of course, this one just came out yesterday. We've been covering it ever since. Yeah, it's pretty much staying exactly where I thought it was going to go, right in between here, trying to find its price point, right? So still staying in between these two lines here. We did get right a little bit above this. So it did try to get above 25 one time today. Didn't quite get there though. So this is settling in the middle here. So his price discovery is pretty much ready to verify this area as its own. Where does that put it in market cap though? That's what I want to know. Where does it put it in market cap? Is it like 25? Is it 50? I think it's like 50 now. 55, something like that. Because it fell quite a bit. Where's World Liberty Financial? World Liberty Finance. There it is. We're at 42 now. So it fell down to 52, 55 today, and now it's running back to that. That's USD. Never mind. That's their stable coin. That's so freaking confusing. All right, World Liberty Fi, WLFI. Where the hell is WLFI? Back down to 50. Still at 50. Lower now. WorldCoin. Jeez. Jeez, WorldCoin. I forgot about that coin too. Too many damn coins, guys. Too many damn coins. Is it out of the top 100? There's no way. There's no way. It's still in the top 100. Yeah, 27. Wow. Still up there. 27 in market cap. Again, just reiterating this coin, guys. If you guys didn't catch last night's live stream, I went over it in detail. It has 25 billion tokens unlocked in the circulating supply, 20% of which of the entire supply, 100 billion, was used for pre-sale, purchased by pre-sale of the investors, and they were unlocked yesterday with the token going live. And so that is why we had the huge pump and dump, as most coins always have that launch cycle, take profits for investors at price price discovery, right at the beginning of the launch, right around $1 they sold off, right around $1. So holy crap, guys! They liquidated like 80%. So they took a huge ton of profits, and they're probably buying back in some of them, I'd imagine. soon. We're probably waiting for verification on where this is going to go and if it's going to hold 20 cents or not. If it can't hold 20 cents, again, it's probably going to trade even lower. We just got to verify. But anyway, that's what's going on with this token. That's why it dumped so hard. And also the association with that loophole in the Ethereum Foundation's latest... I'm getting tired, guys. Latest, project launch. Okay, upgrade for Ethereum, yes. What is it? Protecta, whatever. Profecta? I forget what they call it. Okay, so yeah, we have Bitcoin still hanging out around 112 and some change. When? Breakout. When? Breakdown. Send it to Elmo. He's hungry. Feed Elmo, damn it. I can't be on here all night. All right, let's get back in the chat and see how you guys are feeling. The legendary Nebs guy. Yes, I know Miria better pay you so you can pay me. 15% Nebs. Oh, wow. You have him investing his hard-earned money for you now, damn it. Oh, man, you're double dipping. I see. Oh, my God. You guys, let me catch up in the chat real quick. Give me my bull run, says Lawrence. 100% yes. Lawrence says my power increases when college students retweet my social justice posts. Oh my God, man. Oh jeez. We need to blue pill XCN. Oh God. Yeah. What does the order book look like for XCM? Good question. I don't pay for Bookmap, so I don't know. I don't know. But if I did. I don't think there might be a way. Man, I don't know. CoinGlass maybe not even have it. XCN. Open interest, funding rates, history, XCN price. Let's see, XCN order books. Definitely doesn't show it as prevalent as Bookmap does, though. I mean, I love the bubbles on the the highlighted ranges and the balls. With Bookmap. Okay, so based on HDR order books, refers to order books, spotlight, trading live price chart, XCN USDT is probably just a chart. I count it. Yep. We do see some of the trades going on here though. So we have right now they want to sell at right around 1 penny 07. It's really slow moving. Yeah. This reminds me when I used to just sit there and spot trade on MEXC for hours, just waiting for a little bit of an uptick and then just throw an order in there. Bam. Yeah. Load that in there. Now I just do, I just set and forget it, right? Okay. What are we looking at here? Yeah. So yeah, it needs to come back up and retrace 107. I don't know if it's gonna do it. It's oversold for sure. Definitely oversold for sure. Like I said, it's the top 2 assets in top 200 right now that I'm telling you guys to buy. Not financial advice. It's what I'm buying. Oh my God. I'm not supposed to say that. I'm getting tired, guys. I'm getting loopy. I'm not a financial advisor. I do not be financial advice. All right. But anyway, it's a good opportunity. Just saying. I'd
buy that for $1.
All right, let me get back in the chat, guys. Sweet Lawrence. Yeah, watch out on those waves, man. You don't know the pain that you will bring, or maybe the pain you'll end, I should say, with those waves. Careful on those waves. Yes, Jake the Snake says yes, more fire. More chaos and freedom. Yes. With that being said, I'm gonna do it. Screw it. Yes. Yes. More chaos and freedom for the chat. Republic freedom. That one was for you. All right, guys. I'm losing my mind. When your glass is now half full, you tend to wonder why you ever filled it in full in the first place. Oh, you guys are crazy, Nebs. Yes, yes. Who do you see? Who you talking about, Willis? I don't know, Nebs. I think we're all losing it now. Cash out them socks for dry powder, says Ben. You know the Ledger Lords own that block you guys working on. Oh my God, you trying to get Gamma selling her socks now, or Nebs, or both? I don't know. There's definitely money there, though. I'm pretty sure. There's probably some weird OnlyFans people that would buy it. I mean, there was that girl that sold bathwater that was like a decade ago. I'm sure she's not trending as much as she was before. Yeah, Ben Ledger. Jeez. Nebs, I've been seeing Gamma give you that mean hook. You tried to get cute with her for 15%. Oh my God, Jake. Can you dig it, says Ben. Oh, jeez. He can't. Jake definitely can't. He's that clause, man. He lost his hands in a tragic 4th of July accident this year. Luckily, Neb's face was well greased, so it just slipped off without hurting him. Pip hand strong. Oh, damn. Yeah, you putting on the pain. The worst is when Gamma smacks the workers with that pimp hand on all of those Suge Knight style rings. Oh, damn. Yeah, that's right. Gamma's got those rings, man. That's right. She's got those really big freaking rocks. Dude, that one onyx, I did not, so you told me about it, and I did not know it was going to be that big. Holy shit. Yeah, you're going to knock him out. But like you said, he's all lubed up in the face, so he's probably fine. He's probably just slipped right past him. Yes. Smack, backhand with full of crystals. Yes, haha. Yes, freedom. That landed like a break, Braveheart. What are you smoking? That pimp hand strong. Yes. From the handman to... Yes. Is this from Open Mic? I never saw the rings. Yes, Ben. Yes, you haven't been on in a while. We've missed you in some of those Open Mics. We've been talking about crystals, and we still need to have some stories, me and Gamma, back and forth with some crystal stories. Definitely would love to hear them. We were showing off some crystals one night. She was showing off some of her necklaces and rings, man. Those rings. Woof. You get knocked out with those rings. All right, guys. Where are we at with Bitcoin? Yes, we're not going to be... what is this? Chart exchange is probably the same crap. Yep. Just looking at the order books here. I mean, specifically, just looking at the books. There's more buying than selling right around 101,059. So we still have a lot more to go. The downside, it's kind of slow, guys. It's slow. We really need some big news on XCN. Bitcoin still coming back to retest yet again. 111,500. Just cannot get it, guys. I think we're at a stalemate. I don't know where we're gonna go. I may not burn any cash tonight, guys. I don't know. I'm not feeling it. I feel like it could just do this all night and then dump in the morning. It's just really lackluster, and the fear is real. The fear is definitely real right now. All the narratives I keep talking about, right? All these narratives, and even this would be bullish in my opinion. I mean, just going sideways, reclaiming, or at least keeping most of its gains from the last few days of upside, right? So we could still fall down to 108, 109, and still be bullish. I said that before this morning as well. We're still in the same spot. So that's my general idea. I don't think I want to do a Crypto Chaos tonight, guys. I'm feeling some kind of way. I don't know if this is going to be like this. Like once a week, twice a week now. It might be like this until Friday. It really might be, because we have jobs reports coming on Friday. Damn, guys, damn. I might just sacrifice a Benny just to say fuck it. Fuck it.
Satoshi started a fire in cyberspace. Take your fiat currency and feed the fire.
Not about money. It's about sending a message. Everything burns.
Whoa. Oh, all right. I'm back. I'm just gonna do it like all times. Screw it. All right, guys. This is all I got now, though. I only got $5. Is that enough? Is that enough?
What are you, stupid?
Oh, Jesus. Yeah, all I got is a $5. All right, guys. Thanks again tonight for participating, guys. Greased Up Neb, guys. Damn, you shot up there to number 3. Ramona coming in number 1 at 650 experience. We got Cliff coming in number 2 with 400 XP. Greased Up Neb's, guys, sitting at number 3. Did I see Cliff is number 2? Yes, Nebs is number 3 at 225 XP. Number 4, we've got Ben. No, that's not Ben. That's the other Lawrence. Lawrence, yes. Surefly, that's right. Lawrence sitting at number 4. And we've got Jake the Snake coming in at number 5. Oof, how the mighty have fallen. You guys defeated the king tonight. Look at that. Damn. Shoot. Alright, guys, we're going to burn a $5. It's kind of just throwing it away. Cliff coming in with a $5 super chat as soon as I burn a $5. You're gonna, yes. For the flames, into the fire. Into the fire. Alright, guys. Let's just do it like old times. Let's just do it. Screw it. We're here. I'm going to delete this from the chart. I'm going to eliminate all bias. And see where we go. One last look into the fire. The Bulls still have some ground to take. It's getting tight, though. It's probably going to break down. But anyway, without any other further bias and further ado, I will bring you the Crypto Chaos Magic. Let's go, 10:30 Eastern Standard Time. All right, first thing we do, of course, for Crypto Chaos Magic, or Chaos Magic in general, you want to light the flame for the idol that you are going to give. There we go. All right, so we are tracking, of course, Bitcoin, so we have an orange candle. We're placing it on our altar. Yes, on our altar. I am going to sacrifice a $5 today. We're idolizing the moon via the moonstone. That's right, on the altar. And goodbye, Lincoln. I almost said Benny. So used to saying Benny. When I had all that money, I just burned Bennies all the time, but all I got is a $5. All right, guys, there he goes. Hopefully not on my keyboard. But yes, be gone with him. The president, another dead president, is further dead. All right, guys. And of course, I can't finish the ritual without saying CRPYPTO, our mantra. Let's get to it. So where is Bitcoin going tonight? Still on a bullish trend, right after a huge sell-off from 2 weeks. 2 weeks of freaking drop. Oh my God, it's been a nightmare, guys. It's been a nightmare. From the all-time highs all the way down to where we are now at 111.3. How the mighty have fallen. Just wounded, but not mortally wounded. He's gonna get better. He's gonna be okay. It's like the Black Knight. All right. So anyway, where Bitcoin is going tonight, we'll see. I would think that if this is going to be like anything we've seen before, we're going to do a baseline target. Baseline, we are going to double top here right around 1 o'clock in the morning. Try to get above, not quite hitting 112, smashing back down at the market close, and a slow recovery as you usually see in these sort of situations. It's already overbought though, so we do have a little bit more open for a bear target tonight. Okay, so there is our baseline target. Okay, so basically a simple rejection after we hit 112, or attempt to 111.9. Okay, so then after our bear case scenario tonight is we cannot get up here. We get rejected right away. We fall back down. It's going to happen probably earlier. Something like this. Rejection. We fall. See if we can catch ourselves at 110.5. Another psychological level where the bears are set up to sell probably some more off. 109.5 right about here. And we could even go as low as 109 flat. And that would still remain bullish. We could go further and even go back down to 108.5, which is again the most traded level we were at over the past 3 months. Okay, so yeah, and then we'll see a bit of a recovery in the morning as well. So that is the most bearish case scenario, I think, if we have something coming out of China and India and Russia, and then at the summit, because again, that's happening right now as we speak. Probably within an hour, they're going to be added again at that summit and that event. We could probably find it on X right now if you want to get some of the early stuff of that. It's 10:30 right now, so it's probably 10:30 in the morning in China. So you still got about 2 hours for that to play out in China. And they're probably going to be doing a whole thing about it. Okay, so yeah, bull case scenario now. Bull case scenario, we break on out and we break on up. Pretty quick. We can't really get too much farther too fast. We run up a bit until about 3 p.m. This is about 113.8. I don't think we're going to see that. And then we, of course, start to sell off the market close. And there's our new high. I mean, this does kind of look like where we've been going, right? This is a parallel channel to the upside. Again, it's a little invalidated with these lows here. But yeah, that does kind of play out with a bullish momentum either way. So there's our bull case scenario tonight. There we are. Getting close to about $114,000 breakout. Not quite. 113.9, and then a rejection into the market open around 113 flat. Probably 112.9 to be honest, something like that. Okay, so that's the idea there. And then, yeah, we're going to get into base Super Bull, Super Bear. Oh my God, it's been forever since I did this, guys. With all the issues with the internet. Oh, speaking of which, my internet is freaking amazing now, guys. That upgrade, when I got back from my trip, it was all completed. And now I have over 2,000 megabits per second. I think the last test I did was like 2,400 megabits. Oh my God. That's crazy. It's 2.2, 2.4 gigabits, guys. That's crazy. For com crap, right? For com crap. That's actually pretty spectacular. For what I'm paying per month for my phone and my internet. It's insane. So anyway, not an endorsement. They got better. They got better. I mean, it's freaking cable, though. It's still asymmetrical upload and download, which is still my problem. But when I'm getting like 200 or 300 upload, damn, I'm happy. I'm happy. I can live with that. All right, I was getting 60 before, guys. So I was like struggling. On down days, I was down to like 20, maybe 15 megabits per second on my upload. It was terrible. But anyway, I think the internet's fine now. All right. I look clearer, Scufftaku. Oh no, I don't know what I missed. Ohio is out of the fiat. We only have magic beans. Well, you're the first state to offer no tax on Bitcoin on purchases under $500. It's impressive for your state. The King of Ohio. I definitely salute you, my guy. I'm losing it, guys. I'm getting tired. Oh God. Jake the Snake isn't into PvP for now. I'm not into PP2P. Pay to play? Yeah, that's definitely not into pay to play. Jake the Snake says, I'm the King of Ohio, not these peasant games. Oh my God, I missed a whole bunch of stuff, guys. Do a damn dollar, says Nebs. What the fuck? Oh my God. Oh yeah. All right. If I'm running out of money, guys, you know I'm running out of money when I'm burning 5s and 10s. Oh man. Yeah. Ohio is a fiat. We only have magic beans. Yes. All the moon talk is ridiculous, says Ben. Yes. All the moon talk. It's coming. I swear. It's gonna happen. I know it.
Then be now. Soon.
Be gone with him. God. Jeez. The only clouds I've seen lately come from Nebs. Oh no. Ohio has fallen on hard times. Oh jeez, Jake. That's no cloud. That's no moon. Oh God, Nebs. Oh man, that reminds me. Nebs mooned me, guys. I got that. I'm traumatized by it. No. I've gotten a little too close to Nebs lately. Shit. All right. Yes, Jake the Snake. You look. Yes, I don't know what you mean by the cleaner. Look at that dandy masked man. Ooh, dandy. Yes. Yes, a risk-crowded man. Yes. Yes. So scuffed, handsome. What the hell are you guys talking about? Oh my God. Actually, my mask has actually taken a lot of damage over the years. You can probably see it more in the black light. It's getting pretty scuffed for sure. For sure. Definitely needs a new paint job. Or just the silver replacement, right? Chrome mask is coming. It's loading. Cody, yes, loading. Let's see. Ben Lawrence says, good evening to you, sir. Good evening. Nebs, Moon, Otaku, and yeah, Gamma Goddess got that. Did you get paid for that? Who paid you? Oh my God. You were advertising your wares in public again, Nebs. Oh my God. He was. I don't know if I was the only one who saw that. I hope I wasn't. I can't be the only one traumatized. Oh no. Oh God. Oh, it's a whole thing. All right. So yeah, Bitcoin's still hanging out on 111. We haven't done the Super Bull or Super Bear yet, guys. We're just chilling. I am brain dead. All right, Super Bear. Yeah, Super Bear. We go back down to Pound Town. Super Bear target sends us to, I can't even reach it. The fire sale. Fire sale and Super Bear target is now sitting around $88,000 Bitcoin. Oh my God, it's like hardly loading. Holy crap. Oof, oof, oof. There's touch the fire sale target. Come back up for the morning open. Why not? Because we're suggesting everything into the universe. That's how crypto chaos magic works. And then, yes, the Super Bull target of 135,000, 134.5. Don't get too greedy. Suggesting things into the universe. 134.5 for Bitcoin into the Monday, the Wednesday open. Oh my God, it's ridiculous. Again, it's not the first time it's ever played out, but it's definitely not going to happen tonight. Okay, so there it is. Super Bull is on the chart. We got Super Bear on the chart. We have all the probabilities possible to happen tonight. Let's see how they play out. Look at our baseline bull and our bear. If you zoom out, really go nowhere. They're basically flat. They're basically sideways. So again, the previous bull run would have been something like this every day. That wouldn't be a Super Bear target. That would be just a normal bear target. Yeah, the times have definitely changed. Oh man, it takes me back. It takes me back. Grease up Nebs guy. Oh no! Oh no! You dabbing? Oh jeez. Yes, I had to pay for that. I hope you appreciate it. Oh my God. Oh God. Oh my God, Nebs, you showed your goods for free. Oh no, you're in trouble now. It's 20% now, says Gamma. You guys are crazy. Those aren't goods, they're bads. Oh my God. Oh man, you guys are insane. Yes. Yeah. Oh man, this is supposed to be a peach-free podcast. I don't know about that. Oh jeez. All right. Well, that pretty much is all I got tonight, guys. There was one thing I was going to look up. Oh yeah, before I go, I want to see if there's any news being covered right now on the Chinese summit with, of course, the foreign leaders of India and Russia, Putin, Modi, and President Xi. They are been trending on X lately around these time frames when they are at these events. And we had a lot come out yesterday. Oh, what's this? 27 years. Oh my God, since Metal Gear Solid. Oh my God, Hideo Kojima. I do follow him, yes. I'm a big fan. Anyway, yeah, Tom Lee. That is how you get to 62,000 per Ethereum token. How? The bigger the base, the bigger the breakout. Wyckoff. They're talking about Wyckoff methodology. Oh, okay. I don't want to spend too much time on this stuff. I just want to look for President Xi and Modi and Putin. Let's just search. I'm just going to search for Putin, see what comes up. Putin. Putin. Oh, God. Yep, Putin. Darth Putin. God. Holy shit. President Trump just told President Xi of China, give my warmest regards to Putin and Kim Jong-un as you conspire against America. No. This can't be real, is it? Let's check his True Social. I don't know. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh wow. Oh God. There's some of that. I don't know if that's true though. That started. Big question that answers both whether or not the President Xi of China mentioned the massive. Yeah, he did. He did say this. Holy shit. The big question is to be answered whether or not President Xi of China will mention the massive amount of support and blood that the United States of America gave to China in order to help it to secure its freedom from a very unfriendly foreign invader. Many Americans died in China's quest for victory and glory. Hope that means rightfully honored and remembered that their bravery and sacrifice. Okay, remember for their bravery and sacrifice. May President Xi and the wonderful people of China have a great and lasting day of celebration. Please give my warmest regards to Vladimir Putin, Kim Jong-un, as you conspire against the United States of America. Wow. Whoa. This is crazy, guys. We're going to wake up into that now. Holy shit. All right. I didn't tell you guys where I even expect Bitcoin to go. God. Oh my god, I'm getting loopy, guys. Honestly, I'm probably like thinking more baseline bearish tonight. Realistically, I don't think we tested this 2-3 times now. We can't seem to get above it. This will be the 4th time now in 24 hours that we tried to break out and above 111 to 112. So it's more than likely not going to happen. We still have a lot of fear in the market. So I'm calling for baseline bear tonight. We'll see where we land. Again, we are oversold to hell, so we do still have that. We have that for us. It's not like we're not oversold. It's not like we don't get more news every day about more companies buying more Bitcoin, but there's still plenty of weak hands just selling it like crazy either way. So yeah, until we get above 112 back to 113, we're still bearish. Or baseline. You're going sideways. We're going sideways either way. Chop City, right? Chop City. Back towards 113. All right, so that's all I got for you guys tonight. Hopefully we don't wake up into World War III. So I bid you adieu. Good luck to you all, and don't forget.
The point is, if you have the superior asset, it's going up forever, Laura.
Forever, Laura.
Forever.
Right.
Fly me to the moon. Let me trade a montage. Let me see what freedom's like without money and gold bars. In other words, bold Nike. Oh! In other words, let's make history. Oh! Fill my world with more coins and let me huddle forever more and more and more and more and more. Hollywood shopping is over. I choose you. I love you.
It's pronounced China. That's right, Ben. It's pronounced China. Yes, and you're calling me wrong for that. We're going higher. To each their own, man. To each their own. Love you too, buddy. Love you too, Nebs. Love you guys. Yes, good night, denizens of Crypto Mom's house, says Jake the Snake. I salute you guys. Good night, Crazy Chaos family. Another successful therapy session in the books tonight. I will bid you adieu. Have a good one, and don't forget about the freedom.